Rosie, no. Come here. Hey. Lay down. Lay down. I'll be right back, guys. Rosie just pooped in my office, man. Ugh. I'll be right back. Bear with me. Let me know what you think AMC is going to do today. SOPA is up. SPRB is up big in the last few days, too. So we got a bunch of stuff moving. What's up, SPAC? Michael? You know what you're looking to buy this morning. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry, Rosie pooped in my office this morning, so. I know, baby. Here, come here. Come here. Come over here. Lay down. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, right there. All right. Yeah, SPY is down again today. So not looking great. Not looking great. We'll see if the SPY comes back. Yeah, we have potty pads, but we don't have any in my office yet. It's early. It's all right. She makes an accident usually once a day, but she doesn't usually do it once we're up. Hey, nice cryptic. What's up, Space? SPAC? Hey, baby. No, that's not for you. Come lay down. Look, you got a treat over here. Look. Hey, baby, here. Look. You want that treat? Yeah, here, it's right there. Come on. Okay, that's a good girl. I know. Come on. Yeah, right here. Look, you got a treat right here, too. There you go. All right, I got to give her treats. Yeah, nice cryptic. Yeah, futures can be super profitable. It's something that more traders should do, I think. We got OCG and gap it up too. There's AMC. AMC's right around $28. Here's OCG, and it's at 580s. So we're watching that also. What are you guys watching today? Let's see if we can find. What? All right, guys. So hey, what's up? All we do is twin. Hey, thank you, DS. You bought my Christmas present yet? Hey, not yet, bro. Yeah. Yeah, SOPA here is gapping up some. And we'll look at the catalyst for SOPA. Let's look it up. See what's going on here with this one. All right, so the first one I'm looking up here is SOPA to see what the catalyst is for this morning. This is Society Pass. It has a float of 8.9 million, so a very small float, less than 9 million in the float for SOPA. They announced that they were an addition to the Russell 2000 index, so they're getting added to one of these big indexes, and you know that's usually a pretty bullish move. And so again, Society Pass Incorporated, which is a leading Southeast Asia located data-driven loyalty platform, today announced that the company will be added to the Russell 2000 index effective at the open of the U.S. markets on December 20th, which is today. So as of the open this morning, it's going to be added to the Russell 2000 index for SOPA. That's pretty good news for this company, and we'll see what happens here. Here's the catalyst, the actual catalyst right here, but it's pretty good news. They're going to be added to the Russell 2000 index here, and we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, it's pretty solid news. Pretty good news. Not sure if something changed or it's my phone, but I can't keep your streams up in the background today. What do you mean, Jason? Catalyst seems pretty good, Salvador. You know, Catalyst seems legit. And if we might buy SOPA here, to be honest. Like, I might buy like 25 shares of SOPA. Like, I don't mind this little dip. Oh, wait, we can't get in yet. We got to wait 10 minutes to buy this. All right, here's AMC. AMC's at 28. Hey, what's up, Richard? What's up, C. Hodges? What's up, Soli, Florida? Good morning, guys. All right, so all my Christmas celebrating friends, y'all have y'all shopping done yet? Honestly, guys, I got my son one Oculus Quest 2, but I'm thinking about buying both of my kids the other one, like another one. What do you guys think? Do you think that that's a good move? I think that they will have so much fun if they have two of them, and then I might even get to play with them sometimes, you know. And so that's what I'm thinking. Let me make sure I can still get them. Yeah, I can get them. Yep. All right. Cool, man. Yeah, for sure. That's what I'm thinking, man. Like, if I buy two, it's gonna fill their days. That's what I really think. I think if I have two of them, they're gonna have so much fun. Like, my wife doesn't understand, and I tried to explain to her, like, look, the graphics on these things are freaking ridiculous, bro. We could stick each kid in a different room and let them literally play all kind of stuff together. It'd be so much fun. Like, my daughter's not even into gaming, but I think she would like it too. No, that sucks, Jason. Maybe try having like a different browser up, you know? Yeah, AMC going absolutely crazy, guys. Should I buy AMC right here, guys? What do you guys think? Should I buy it? Let me know. Yeah, probably going to pick up some shares here and hold, see if I can run this up at the opening bell. And another baby pup to play with. My friend bought his kid one, said he couldn't get it off him. Yeah, I think I think they're going to love it, bro. You know? Yeah, I think the graphics are so ridiculous that people are going to play them. You know, that's what I'm excited for. Hey, nice, man. Yeah, Hobo. I got one right here, bro. They're good phones, man. They're great phones, dude. Like, I got one right here. They're pretty cool, man. You know, like they let you trade stocks. Like, you can do all kind of stuff on these things, man. You know what I mean? Like, sit there and trade stocks. They're just really dope. You'll like it, especially if it's the new Z Fold 3. The new Z Fold 3 is water resistant. GRTX. Yeah, what do y'all think of OCGN? I gotta look up the catalyst for OCGN as well here real quick, because OCGN is up. This is Occugen. It's up about 12.4% this morning, about 12.4%. Doesn't look bad. We'll see if we get something good. We got some craziness though in the market for sure. Yeah, the Z Fold 3 is water resistant. That's why you want to get that one. That's why that one's kind of cool. All right, so Occugen had changes to beneficial ownership. Occugen, one of their directors sold 312,000 shares at an average price of $192 per share. They did changes to beneficial ownership, 4 and 4 statements, flying up. Hey, what's up, Billy? So yeah, Occugen had changes to beneficial ownership, new directors. Some of them sold some of their shares too. And you can see Occugen is all the way up to 580s right now. We got some support here that we'll buy it. Like I said, once the bell rings, we'll see what else we can find. But I might buy a little bit of SOPA if I can. I can't buy it right now. It's not going to fill me right now. I got to wait until the next 5 minutes to pass for TOS even to be tradable. DWAC. Yeah, DWAC is okay. It's still sideways, though. It needs some more action for me. I did well with it last week. Nice, man. Is it a full week on the market? I'm not sure. Let's see. Is the market's closed the 24th, right? Good, dude. Okay. Okay, so here's the holiday schedule, guys. All right, here's the holiday schedule. On the 23rd, on Thursday of this week, the day before Christmas Eve, the New York Stock Exchange is open, the NASDAQ is open, the stock market closes at 2 p.m., or the bond market closes at 2 p.m. Friday, December 24th, which is Christmas Eve, everything's closed. Stock market, bond market, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, they're all closed as well. And then obviously Christmas is Saturday, so it doesn't matter. But Thursday, we have basically a half early day. Friday, the market's closed. And then, of course, Saturday is Saturday. So that's what I'm showing right now. I'm kind of excited to take a few days off, to be honest, because it's been a hectic time. You know, busy. If you got kids, you know what I mean. Billy says, quick question if you don't mind. Why market buy instead of buying the ask and selling the bid? Isn't it just as fast as market but with better fills? Not necessarily. I mean, okay, market order is supposed to get filled at the best possible price. Buying the bid and selling on the ask. Buying the bid is going to take way longer. Are you saying buying the ask? Well, buying the ask is actually a worse spot than buying the market sometimes. A lot of the times it's the same, but I just need to get filled immediately. And the problem with a limit order sometimes is that sometimes the stock's going to be moving too quickly. And my biggest thing with scalping is like, I'm going to get basically the same fills with a market order that I am buying on the ask price, but it's going to be an automatic fill. Like there's no chance that it's not going to get filled and then I'm going to have to cancel it and move back onto it. And so I would rather just get the automatic fill, hold on to it, and then make sure I get that automatic fill and worry less about the exact area I get filled at. And so, yeah, that's kind of my logic. What's up, Shannon? Thoughts on ADGI? Listen, Shannon, I'm going to be honest with you, okay? ADGI, good looking daily chart, but it doesn't really hold its gains like that. You know, the daily chart looks okay, actually. That was AMC's daily chart. So ADGI daily chart looks okay. It doesn't hold its gains. It went up to 78, all the way back down to 12. Just didn't hold its gains whatsoever. And it puts in big percentage moves and it's volatile, but there's just some risk because mostly this one doesn't hold its gains. And anytime a stock has this low of float, usually, not always, but usually it's not the best company. You know what I mean? Like when a stock has this small, this craziness in price action as well as this small of a float, it's usually not the healthiest of companies. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to work out. I'm not saying it's going to go up, but I personally am not going to hold this one overnight. If I do trade it, it's going to be short term. Too much volatility for this one for me. My feels haven't really been that bad, Bob, on TOS, to be honest. GRTX just popped up. GRTX is popping up a little bit in pre-market this morning. Let's see if this one has a catalyst here, but this is GRTX. Galera Therapeutics, float size of 15 million, so a pretty small float stock. I'm not seeing any catalyst here, but I do see GRTX pop up a little bit. And now we can actually trade. So I'm going to buy on this little dip down to 470s. I'm going to buy like 25 shares of SOPA. Actually, SOPA's got a big range. This might have been a little bit early, man. I probably shouldn't have bought this here. I'm also thinking about buying GRTX on the dip, but I think I'm going to wait a little bit on that one. Ooh, yeah, this is not what I wanted. We'll let 450 be the deciding line. I think 450 is reasonable. I mean, if we pop back up here, that's great. But I think 450 is reasonable. Here's GRTX pulling back. Here's AMC though. AMC, I'm thinking about buying a little bit more too on this dip. I don't know. Here's GRTX. What do you think? Should I buy GRTX here? We also have like OCGN. All right, so we're still in SOPA here. Here's AMC. Did I miss tech time? Nah, stream just started, brother. Don't worry. Yeah, no worries, Billy. All right, so we're still in SOPA here. If we get back over VWAP, our entry is only 470, so it's really not that bad. I'm also looking, I'm going to buy a little bit of GRTX here, just a small share size of like 50 shares right here. See if this works. So we're in with 50 shares of GRTX. We're holding some of SOPA here. We might buy up like this dip in AMC, like a reasonable like 25 shares, I think. What do you guys think? Yeah, we're in 25 shares of AMC. We'll see if this works. We're buying the dip. It's right around 28. We'll see if that holds. SOPA, we're at 463s, and then GRTX, we just bought 50 shares of this dip. And we'll see how it goes, guys. We'll see how it goes. Hey, baby. What you doing? Poop breath. What you doing, poop breath? Lay down. Good girl. Bro, I got this dog super trained, bro. You want to see a video with this dog? Like, watch how well we've trained this dog, bro. This dog is killing it, man. Just doing it. Watch. I'm going to show you the video. All right. This dog's just the best trained dog ever, bro. All right, so I'm uploading the file to my drive. All right, I'm in both of these. With GRTX, we're up nicely already. With the SOPA, we're kind of break even here. All right, we're gonna give it some time, though. We're gonna give it some time. All right, check out this video, guys. You want to see how well this puppy's trained already? Super smart.
All right, Rosie.
Watch this. This is Rosie. Can y'all hear this? Y'all should be able to hear this, right? Y'all ready? Like, this is Rosie right here. Look at this dog. Y'all ready?
All right, Rosie. Spin. Lay down. Stay. Come. Sit. Shake.
12 weeks, 12 or 13 weeks.
Up. Come. Spin. There you go.
That's Rosie. She's doing good, man. She's super trained, super smart. Pretty smart for a 12 or 13-week-old dog too. She's doing pretty well. We got her, and she's mostly potty trained. Like, she had an accident this morning, but she's mostly potty trained. Dogs her age, this young, can't really hold their bladder super well, and so she'll get there. You know, like she holds it all night, but sometimes she has accidents, and I can't really get mad at her for it. She's learning. You know, she's doing good. Yeah, she's doing good. All right, so we're in SOPA here. We're in AMC and we're in GRTX. So we're in these three right here. The only one we're not in, OCGN pops over VWAP and pulls back. We might buy that dip too. Yeah, yeah, that's basically how I feel. What's a poop every now and then amongst friends, you know? Thank you, JR. I appreciate it. But yeah, she's doing well. She picks everything up fast. We teach her one thing once. Like, we taught her to lay down. She knows now. Like, she's a little bit overzealous with it too, to where she'll just lay down just because she wants the treat. So she knows if she lays down, she'll get a treat. So she's good. What's up, day trading? Good morning. So yeah, we're in three. I don't really think people should copy me here. It's a lot of whether these dips I'm buying right now, a lot of if they're going to work is going to depend on the market. You know, some days are just better for dip buys like this and some days aren't. But I think I've been trading large enough and making enough money to where I can justifiably take these trades in pre-market. And I've been green enough to where I think it's understandable, you know. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. You don't want to get by that wire. Yeah, there you go. The next thing I want to teach her is speak. Speaking is one of the hardest things because it's just a patience game. You got to wait for her to get anxious and bark, and then you reward her. And then eventually she puts two and two together and understands you're just waiting for her to bark. But that's one of the hardest ones. You just got to wait. Yeah, market might be buying the dip. I don't know, man. We'll see. Here's the SPY itself. So there's OCGN. Here's the SPY. SPY is down to 455. It's starting to rebound a little bit, so maybe that's what you meant by buying the dip, because yeah, it's starting to rebound some here. Michael, doesn't look bad. Yeah, micro fluctuations. Yeah, what's up, Chris? Hey, good morning, bro. Yeah, it's starting to head back up, Michael, for sure, bro. You know, so yeah, some people are definitely buying this dip, it looks like. We'll see. Let's hope it bounce back. So we're in GRTX break even here. SOPA, we're just seeing if it holds at 950. And I think we got some levels underneath us where we might be able to justifiably hold through. But we're just kind of waiting right now, and we'll see what we get. All right, AMC popping back up to over 28s here. That doesn't look bad. All right, guys, so we're getting a little bit of a dip in SOPA here. This might be the first one we cut out of. If it can't hold here, this might be the first one we cut. We're letting it test, but we're probably about to cut out of this. It just depends. It just depends. Where did my AMC entry go? Okay, my AMC entry is at 28.28, so we're already doing nicely there. Yeah, 40 is going to be my risk now. We're changing it just because I've seen us test this a few times, and I want to see if we bounce here for SOPA. So, like, if we're going to bounce, I think it's understandable that we might bounce here. But maybe it's a mistake. We get another 37s. If we see, yeah, there's 37s here. We just got to get out. So $8 loss, not the end of the world this morning. Down about 4 in pre-market right now. And again, if we see something else move, we'll take the trade. We just got to wait for it. And we're down 5 in pre-market, which is fine. Hopefully AMC will do me right today. We were right about our position last week in AMC. We just got out of it a little bit too soon. We big pop a paper hand, AMC, and we paid for it. We should have held. We're going to try to be more patient with it today. But it was a really good week last week, to be honest. We made a bunch of money. So we're just going to keep that up. Keep that moving. Hey, what's up, Healthy Habits? I think you should swing a bit and not scalp, especially in the Apple-type stocks. Yeah, I mean, I made a lot of money swinging stocks last week. Not really swinging, but it was more so like longer-term day trades. Like, I would buy the dip in stocks, ride the bounce, and then cut out. But that worked really well. Scalping is just what makes me most of my money, though, brother. You know what I mean? Like, if we look at my system, scalping is what ultimately helps me make the most money. It's what I'm the most consistent at, for sure. CA and F looks good. What's up, Space? CA and F, it just needs some more volume. Here's the problem. It's not bad, to be honest, actually. It's not terrible looking. Let's see what the catalyst is. It's over VWAP, too. So maybe this is a dip buy for CA and F. I don't know. This is Can-Fight Biopharma. They announced that the they announced liver cancer patient treated with their product cleared all cancer lesions under the open label extension of the phase 2 study that dropped for CA and F. So positive trial results. We're going to get out of GRTX here too. So yeah, we just got out of GRTX. Took a few L's here this morning, but all relatively small. We're down like on the day right now, we're down less than $10. We got CA and F ripping up though. So hey, you were right. Good call. Back over VWAP here. Looks good. Again, the catalyst was that their liver in their phase 2 study, one of the cancer patients treated with their product cleared all cancer lesions under the open label extension of the phase 2 study is what happened here for CA and F. So yeah, we're out of both of these. We're gonna slow down our dip buys this morning once we see this happening. CA and F ripping up big. How did you do on DraftKings Fridays? Which DraftKings trade? Did I buy the dip on DraftKings Friday? I think that was last week, no? We do a little bit of everything, Peter. We scalp, we buy the dips in large cap companies. GRTX, this was just somebody just sold, and we got a big drop in pre. It wasn't a huge position, but somebody just unloaded right here. Let it test the previous closing price, see what happens. We're still in AMC. We could also buy the CA and F dip. But like I said, I mean, some mornings, guys, are just not going to be favorable for trades like this in pre-market. You know, some mornings, nothing bounces, unfortunately. You all ready for the holidays? Let me know if y'all ready for the holidays. I guess I am. I don't know. It'll be a good holiday though. Yeah, the dip Friday. Did I buy the dip Friday? I don't know, man. I don't think I fraud bought the dip Friday. I might have, but it might have been a short-term day trade. I don't know. I have to go back and check. Yeah, SOPA unloaded twice today. Yeah, SOPA's down, GRTX, DraftKings. CA and F is popping up. We're still in AMC too. What's up, Silver? Markets are down some. What's up, Voorhees? Dutch announced lockdown. Yeah. Yeah, it is what it is, you know. All right, guys. Oh, look at CANF flying. So how's crypto doing here? I'm looking at BitGet and looking at some of these crypto plays. Bitcoin down to under 46K for the first time in a minute. It's down to 45.9K. Ethereum down to 3780s. XRP is up slightly today. Say YFI is up. Everything else is basically down. Yeah. So any A and Y crypto is up. So we're not doing that bad. But I guess we could think about buying the dip in CANF here. It's flying up here. DraftKings, I don't know if we took that one Friday. I don't know. OCG, and if we get back over VWAP, we'll take this. We also have like LCTX that's gapping up on a little bit low volume. ITCI, not the best. BCDA, not the best. VRS, slow too. CALT, APT, GBS. Yeah, it's a you know, I guess it's a holiday week. SEAC tried again. They got up to 165s, but CANF absolutely flying up this morning. Yeah, what's up, Trip? SOPA on the reversal. SOPA's got to get back over 450, back over VWAP. Ready as I can be with 30 people coming for the holidays. Hey, that's what the holidays are for, bro. Rosie. Hey, Rosie, what are you doing back there? Hey, Rosie. What you eating over there? You're not eating poo-poo, are you? Let me smell your breath. Your breath stinks. What is that? What is that? Oh, Rosie, what is that, baby? Oh, no. Don't tell me that's what I think it is. Rosie. Rosie. You okay, baby? Hey, come here. It's okay. Yeah, you're not in trouble, baby. You okay? Rosie just puked. What's wrong, baby? You ate too much? What'd you get into in here? Come on, baby. Here, let's go. Sorry, guys. Rosie just threw up a little bit. We gotta go. I gotta clean this up. Don't lick it. Don't lick it. Come on. It's okay, baby. Come here. Come here, Rosie. I'll be right back, guys. She doesn't feel good. So here, I'll be right back. Rosie just had an accident. I'm looking at CANF, seeing if we're gonna buy this dip, guys. So let me know. But I'll be right back, guys. Hold on. I'm sorry, guys. Rosie threw up, so I got to clean it up. My apologies, team. So I hope you guys are well today. I don't know. I bought a little bit of the AMC. We're looking at CA and F. We'll see if we hold this one too. All right, guys. We'll be back. Hold on. Ugh. Sorry, guys. We're coming. All right. Sheesh. All right, guys. I'm sorry about that. Poor baby Rosie got sick. So I don't know. Honestly, I think it's got to be these. We got her these. And I think it looks like this is what it is. We got her some chicken jerky, but I don't think she likes it. All right. Yeah, I might buy a little bit of this for CANF. If it is, it's going to be small size. I don't know if this thing's going to hold. We're just going to poke around, buy a few shares, see if we can test highs up here, and if not, we'll get out. All I heard was pumping, bro. What am I pumping, sir? But we're back. Hey, you as well, Ed. Thank you, brother. Yeah, bro. We got it up. It was a mess, but we got it up. I don't know what I did with my headphones either. I gotta go find my headphones too. But baby's sick. So what are we gonna do? You know. All right, so somebody just sold quick here. So we're probably gonna exit this fast too. Yeah, there's no point in holding through this risk. So it's one of those days where none of the dips I'm getting into are really working, which is all good. We're down like $12, so I think we'll live. And we're just gonna wait. This might actually work here. All right, so here's AMC dipping. I could buy a little bit of more of this. I don't know. Let me see. We're right now. It's a morning where none of our dips are really working out super well, and so it's one of those mornings where we're just gonna chill right now. We might buy a little bit more AMC here. But again, I don't want people to copy me. No idea if this is going to work or not. And we'll see. We're in 40 shares. Also, BCDA is showing up. BCDA. but no volume. LCTX, same thing, no volume. CA and F dipping down. It might actually bounce at the VWAP here, but it's just too much risk for me in that situation. ADGI is pulling back to 1150s too. OCGN is up to 570s. So, you know, we're in a few different things. AHPI. Okay, nice, Trevor. Hey, congrats, bro. All right, so we're looking at CNF. SOPA didn't hold. AMC dipping down to 28s. We want to see if it holds at 28s. We're watching OCGN as well. If it can get back over this, we might buy some more. Yeah, bear market, VTNR. Hey, what's up, nurse? Good morning. Let me go get my wife's AirPods, actually. Oh, yeah, guys. So Carol actually got some WD-40 too. So Carol pulled out some WD-40. Helps me. She helped me. I didn't think we had any, but she brought some over. We greased the hinges on the door, and now it's working, I think. So if you notice the door wasn't as monstery, you know what I mean? That's probably why. Nice. All right, guys. So we got some AirPods in now. I don't know how long these will work, but these will have to do. There we go. Let me make sure the mic we're using is the right mic. We should be good. Yeah, we're good to go. All right, cool. All right, so let's see if CA and F hits. I hit 3 years day trading today. I've listened to John, but it seems for like forever. 6 months in the sim. I'm getting good at this game. Hey, nice VWAP. Happy for you, brother. LCTX. Yeah, LCTX looks good. It just needs more volume, to be honest here. But hey, I appreciate the support, VWAP. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, dude. All right, so let's see if SOPA can bounce back. OCGN, LGTX, AMC dipping down some, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I feel you, nurse. What's up, Dondrell? SEAC looks okay. It's just a large float stock. Daily chart's all right, but it's just a stock that ripped up in the last few days. Let's see if it holds. It's up from 66 cents, and prior to this, the daily chart was looking pretty rough. So we could watch SECA, but I'm skeptical, to be honest. Netherlands, yeah, I heard that. Here goes CA and F popping back up too. Does SEAC have any legitimate catalyst for this? Let's see. No, no real catalyst this morning for SEAC. Float is 42 million, so it's about a medium-sized float. Uh, we got some levels that we can watch. We have this range here that we can pay attention to and see if it holds support. And we got 125 up to about 185, $2 maybe up here too. So let's see if it breaks out of that range. It's certainly possible. We'll see. AMC's popping up a little bit here. Our entry is 28.26, so we're holding this right around 28 right now. CA and F, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I buy the dip? I could. What do you guys think? Yes or no? Should I buy the dip? Let me know. Well, I mean, I don't know what's the right move there, Nurse. I think what he's trying to say though is that paying your car off when your inflation numbers are going to be the highest, it probably makes more sense from a payoff perspective to wait until interest rates are lower, because then you're paying less, and then pay your car off then. If you're going to pay your car off at any time, I guess you want to analyze what the low interest rate market would ultimately be for that, and then see how much interest you're going to pay now versus then, and see if it's worthwhile to even wait. That's always an option too. Buying the dip, yeah. Let me know, are you guys buying the dip? We got some stuff, but yeah, SEAC's up there. We'll see. OSMT looks terrible. It's just really hit penny stock, dollar, sitting right at $1. Worst looking daily chart I've seen in a long time. Basically, consistent downward trend and a probably terrible penny stock company. We're going to buy a little bit of CANF, a little bit here. We bought 15 shares. But yeah, OSMT, I don't like this one at all. Barcoding when it's not moving, gapping down under $1 at some points just doesn't look good. Yeah, we bought a little bitty share here. We're not taking huge positions. There we go. Starting to break highs. All right, we just took a little bit off. Well, for everybody that voted no on this dip. All right, AMC up there, back up there to pretty close to break even to where we were. That original dip on this one's working out great, to be honest. Beautiful move up. We basically got ourselves back to flat on this one, which isn't bad. GRTX, is GRTX moving now? GRTX is back over the previous closing price, which is good, but we'll see if it holds. You as well, Scott. Thank you, bro. Yeah. Yeah, we're down like $15 today, so it's pretty small. We'll see what else we get. All right, so we're starting to pop up a little bit here. All right, so let's see if we hold support at this previous high of the day. You're banking, John, on what? On my huge, amazing green trade right here, but where I made like $2, dude. I'm living life, bro. What you guys know about $2 gains in the stock market, dude? Y'all wish y'all could trade like me, making $2, dude, just balling out of control. You know, don't even know what I'm gonna do with the money. You know, we might buy this dip though. I'm thinking about it. Pfizer. All right, guys. So I might buy a little bit here. Come on, give me. Let me. Where's my mouse, dude? I lost my mouse under all my monitors. Where'd it go? There it is. Sheesh, man. I'm kind of too late now, too. I wanted to buy this dip right here, but I'm a little bit too late now. Nice VWAP. Yeah, John is big time. Big time. You know, what do y'all know about that? Hey. Big time over here, bro. Yeah, we bought a 25 shares here for CANF. 25 shares. We're about break even in this. Pfizer looks good. You know, Pfizer looks strong here. All right, so we're dipping down a little bit here for CANF. All right, so we're getting this dip. I'll add a little bit more here if we can set up well enough. I got to understand, though, I might not hold this level, but we'll add a little bit more. We're in with 50 shares. GameStop should hit 250 this week. Really? I mean, I would be very careful, Ed, betting on that. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to work. I'm just saying that, listen, man, I have seen all this craziness. I think that a squeeze is possible, but nobody knows the exact date. Just be careful. Miska, I like that name. Now we can let this sit. I don't mind this dip right here. This dip to like 2. So I don't mind this. We're in AMC small. SOPA didn't never come back here. We're still looking at like OCGN. OCGN's got to get back over the VWAP and hold, though. AMC's trying. STK. Look at STK. Penny stock starting to rip. It's at 70 cents right now. 70 cents. SEAC at 160s. Stephanie says, any leaps in mind for 22? I mean, there's some stocks I like. I don't know if I'm gonna buy leaps on them, but like I tend to like DraftKings. I tend to like Disney, especially at Disney's levels now. I like Apple to a certain extent. I think they're all dipping fairly well, except for maybe Apple. Apple might be a little extended, so Apple's probably the one I like the least. But I tend to like Disney, just in terms of like extension on the downside, being oversold. I like Disney. I like DraftKings. I kind of like UAL here too, but I think that can be negatively affected by other types of things in the market where it's a little bit less safe of a bet, in my opinion. But it's still something that we're watching, and we'll see what happens. Let me know what you like for the next year, if you like any long-term plays. Yeah, that's definitely potential for sure, Ed. That's definitely possible, sure, for sure. Can't do pre-market, freaks me out. Yeah, I don't blame you. Pre-market's tough. It took me I didn't start trading pre-market for a long time. Like, it took me a while to really start trading pre. All right, look at the Benzinga scanners alerting people of CTK. All right, so we're in CA and F here. We'll see what happens. 50 shares. CTK popping up a little bit, but not really holding here, so we'll see. APT, Alpha Pro Tech, kind of a mask company, so with all the craziness, mask companies might be doing pretty well. Yeah, I tend to like DraftKings. Tesla's a little bit tougher. Down in nines. I think Tesla looks good on a technical basis for sure. DWAC. Yeah, DWAC is okay. Daily chart doesn't look horrible. SOPA, SOPA is still down here, so we'll see if it pops back over 450 and holds. Any gift ideas for Carol? You guys know any gift ideas for Carol? I got her some stuff. I still got to get her a few more, though. Can y'all not hear the music? Can y'all hear it? Let me know. Yeah, Caesars and Penn are both good. Yeah, I've watched PENN before for Penn Gaming, so I've seen that one. What's Caesar's symbol? ENIA, guys. ENIA getting some volume, but not really moving that much. Y'all can't hear the music? Oh, man. I'm sorry, guys. My apologies here. Let me fix this. There we go. Wait, did y'all see the dog video earlier? Can y'all hear this? Can y'all hear this?
Spin. Lay down. Stay.
Y'all should be able to hear it.
Come. Up. No, not spin. Up. 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 Yeah, good girl. Come. Spin. There we go.
Gotta make her work for that treat, man. Gotta make her work for that treat. She's doing good. All right, so CA and F. AMC's popping back up. AMC's at 25, 28, 20s. All right, good. Nah, I got her some gifts. No, I got Carol some stuff. Honestly, though, guys, Carol and I, like, we're not super. It's not that we're not sentimental. We just love our kids to where we're getting we're super focused on our kids. I could buy Carol. Listen, Carol would much rather me just bring her out shopping one day and like let her pick out what she gets, because as a guy, y'all can try to pick out stuff for your wife, but like a lot of the time they're just going to pretend they like it and then never wear it. If it's jewelry, they'll never wear it. If it's clothes, you know, like they might pretend like they like it, but I would rather just let her pick out stuff she actually likes, you know. And we got her some stuff. There's AMC popping up here. AMC flying up. But yeah, we got that. Yeah, that's exactly what we got on beach. All right, good. So y'all can hear the dog bed. Good, man. Yeah, they're super smart, Rick, bro. Yeah, she learns everything 1 or 2 tries, like 1 or 2 conditioning sessions where you reward them for doing it correctly, and she knows. Like she learns incredibly fast. AMC pop it up though, guys. So we're up nicely with AMC here. So hey, we're gonna take a little bit off here just to protect the trade, just a small, you know, small exit. Hold the rest, and then let the rest really work. Just that way we can be safe. We've locked in profit. We don't have to worry. And yeah, now we can just let it roll and see if we can get like 30, 35 bucks today. Maybe not, but that's what we're shooting for, and we'll see what happens. Let me know if you think it's gonna work. Yeah. I don't buy gifts anymore. I give my teens $250 each. Yeah, that's probably the right move. Same thing with my daughter. Like I could buy her clothes, but she's not gonna wear half of the stuff I buy her. So I would rather let her pick out her stuff, you know. All right, here goes SOPA. SOPA is up to 440s. Yeah, Ed. Yeah, SOPA popping back up here. It needs to get over VWAP though. Same thing with AMC. AMC needs to get over VWAP. What about like OCGN? All of these, if I'm gonna buy any of these dips, I need it to get over VWAP. Yeah, that's a good gift. Yeah, I got you, Rick. Or Rick. Here, I got you. Let me send it to you. Yeah, I have an Android, so I don't know if it's going to get the video across to you. But if this doesn't work or if this is foggy, let me know, and I'll just send you the Google Drive link, and you can just download the video. But I'm texting it to you right now. It should work. All right, guys. AMC pop it up. We're about break even in CA and F. SOPA is testing VWAP here. So SOPA is testing the volume weighted average price. Yeah, there we go. It worked. It's sending now. Yeah, SOPA popping back up. It's at 450s. You guys, 450s for SOPA. Let's see if it holds. You know, let's see if it actually holds. $450s looks good. Like I said, SOPA, if it can get over, okay, so if SOPA can get up to 475 or so, like if it can get right here and then pull back, I might buy that dip, maybe. With CA and F, we're right around 214s. OCGN has just never gotten high enough to really trade it. So we're waiting here. Yeah, honestly, I was thinking about getting her one of those, Andrew. That looks cool. But yeah, with Rosie, I've been teaching my daughter to train her. Like I've always trained dogs, you know. Like my dad was a falconer, and so he would condition birds the same way. You know, and falconers like train the birds to like fly to your glove when you whistle for them, right? And you do the same thing you train with dogs. You just condition them. So you just sit there and you wait for the bird to fly to you. When the bird does fly to you, you reward it with a treat, and you just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. That's the same way you train a dog. And so that's what we did with Rosie, and she is pretty well trained at this point. For 13 weeks old, you know, she's doing pretty well. You know, we still have to work on pooping, but she pees outside for the most part, and she's super smart. Yeah, Ed, yeah, we got one. The air wrap's the thing that lets you, oh wait, hold on. Oh, damn, dude. A $600 styler, bro. I didn't expect the air wrap to be that expensive. I mean, I get it, but like, damn. Dyson. Yeah, we got her one. All right, guys, we got 350 people here. Smash the like button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button. We do this live for free every single day right here on YouTube. So if you haven't already, smash that like and subscribe button. Yeah, I haven't honestly played the new Halo yet, but we should get a meetup during the holidays. Like, we should get a meetup going on. Would you guys want to? Vote on the poll, guys. Are you buying the AMC dip? I did, and I'm up, and I've already taken some profit from AMC. We're also at CANF here with 50 shares, but we're going to let that ride. SOPA, we're trying to get over the VWAP here at 450s. We're trying, but who knows if we're actually going to. Yeah, also, guys, download the Squeeze app. Squeeze app gives you free short flow data and information. If you have an Android, you can download the Squeeze app super easily here. Again, free short flow data, information, market cap, analyst ratings, SEC filings. It has it all, so check it out. Here's the link. Download the link now, or download the app now. Completely free app. My goal is to give traders a free way to look up short flow data and information, and so download the app now if you haven't already. Yeah, we could do a real meetup. I would love to do a meetup. I don't know how many people I'd get around here though. I think if I went to BR, I'd probably get more people in the meetup because I think most people I know here are from BR. But worst case, we could always do a Halo meetup for all my video game players out there. No, I don't scalp the VIX. I just scalp the SPY itself, Beach, most of the time. So like most of the time, if I'm trading, I'll scalp the SPY. I also trade futures occasionally as well. Like I'll trade futures and hold and trade those. But most of the time I'm scalping the SPY and stuff like that. Hey, y'all hit that like button if you haven't already. Everybody do it now. Do me a favor, smash that like button. Run those numbers up. Yeah, Larry. I'm probably going to buy, my plan is to buy another 2 of them though. So yeah, my plan is to buy another 2 of them. You know, like I think for now, I'm going to buy my son one of, so we have one. And I think I'm going to buy him another one for this holiday season. And I'm going to give it to both of my kids because I genuinely think my daughter is going to like it too. So my plan is to have 2 of them. That way they can play it together. You know. Nice trip. Yeah, do it. If you're a Halo player like me, hit the like button. I haven't played the new one yet. If y'all want to do a Halo meetup, let me know. I literally can create, you know, and we can play. Yeah, SWAT. Oh, I can't keep up with you at SWAT. I love SWAT though. My game was just 4-on-4. Yeah, but they don't have co-op with the campaign. Like an instant, like L. They didn't drop the game with co-op. That's crazy. Nah, Xbox 360 won't work, unfortunately. Alright, guys, we're waiting for something. SOPA tried to break over VWAP. CANF is pulling back to 2. We're in 50 shares of that. Watching OCGN to see if it pops over VWAP and holds. AMC's at 28.35, so we're going to see what happens there, too. Yeah, hey, let's play. All right, guys. So I gotta see about Joel. I think Joel said he wanted to come on stream today. I think Phoenix did too. So let's see if we ought to have them on stream. Let me check out with them. I haven't talked to them yet. Let me ask Joel too, see if he wants to hop on stream. All right. All right, guys. So we got CANF starting to pop back up. AMC's up there. All right, AMC's up there. I'm still looking at OCG, and with CANF, we're still about break even here. SOPA's still trying. SOPA's got to get over 455 and actually hold support there. So SOPA's got to get over 455 and hold support. All right, so CANF is up there. AMC's dipping down at 28. So do y'all think AMC is a good dip buy here? Vote on the poll right now, guys. BFRI at the VWAP. Let's see. BFRI is too slow right now. Nothing going. All right, here goes CANF up to 50. All right, cool. Dude, they just gave me a gamer tag. All right, so we're in CANF. All right. All right, guys, I have a gamer tag that y'all can look up on the Xbox store. My gamer tag is B Trading. B Trading. Let me make sure I have a gold account. All right, we're break even for CANF. We're still in AMC here. Yeah, slow day. That's why. Hey, that's dope, Rick. That's nice, man. Yeah, for sure. Happy for y'all, brother. Hey, thank you, Voorhees, for becoming a member. Shout out to Voorhees, brother. Thank you, man. I appreciate the support, bro. Yeah, CANF, we're break even right now in this one. We're going to see what we can do. All right, so Tony says he's sick, so he's not going to come on stream today, which is all good. It happens. All right, so we're still break even, slightly down in CANF. We're up on AMC. We've already scaled out of that one. Let's see what CANF does. We're trying to be patient and wait for it. Dude, what the heck is going on? All right, guys. AMC back up to 2850s here. Anything else moving that I don't see besides like SOPA, AMC? I see DTSS and RCAT show up, but none of these really have any type of reasonable volume. I see OGEN is up as well. AVGR maybe might look interesting. All right, SOPA is still trying on to make this move up. Hey, thank you, Voorhees. I appreciate you, brother. John's system definitely works. Green out of the last 13 days. Much love, brother. Thank you, Rick. I appreciate you, bro. OCGN looks good. Yeah, OCGN looks okay. Bro, it won't let me log in. I'm trying to log in from Microsoft, and it won't let me. It just brings me back to the same page. Weird. Like, all I really want is to upgrade to a gold account. That's it. All right, so CANF is up. Let's try logging in. I got the Xbox app on my phone, too. All right, so we playing Halo today, guys? Is that what we're doing? All right, guys. So we're break even again for CANF. What do you guys think? I'm still waiting for SOPA to cross over the VWAP here, and we'll get ready to do some tech time in a minute. But we're waiting for SOPA to cross over the VWAP, pull back, and then bounce back up. Like, that's the goal. That's what we really want here, and we'll see if we get it. You know, that's the whole point of this, and we'll see if it happens. Let me know what you guys see. Let me log into Xbox. AMC backup looking good. All right, so we didn't get a break for CANF. We're still trying to hold. AFC's going back to 2850s. Let's see if we get some volume here coming through. All right, so OCGN's starting to creep back up. We'll see. Nice. Okay. Cool. All right, so we're still in CA and F. Again, SOPA, we're waiting for a move like this. Same thing with AMC. Don't worry, guys. We're going to get ready to do some tech time in a minute. I know it's a slow day, so I think if there was any time to do tech time, it would be today. OCGN, we're still waiting for it to just pop back over the VWAP and hold support there. We'll see if it does. Okay, cool. Nice. All right, so we're popping again. All right, so OCGN, we're looking for the same type of thing that we're looking for SOPA here. We're looking for a break over VWAP, a pullback, and a hold. If we get that, then we're happy. You know, and we'll buy the pullback. AMC, we're kind of looking for the same thing, except in this case, instead of looking for a break over the VWAP, we're looking for a break over the previous closing price and a hold, and then a test of 30. All right, cool. All right, guys, we should be good to go now. So if you want to add me on Xbox and take part in the Halo meetup, B Trading is my gamer tag. BTRADING, no spaces. B Trading is my gamer tag. We'll try to play after the stream. I know I got something to download or so, but if you want to play, just add me and, you know, we can hang out, play the game, talk after the stream. Let me know. Let me see what Joel's doing. I know Joel is a big Halo player too. So let me see about Joel. See what he's up to. All right, guys. So, yeah, we're just looking for some breaks over VWAP here, and we'll see if we get them. Hey, happy holidays to you all as well. Thank you, guys. What's up, DS? Like I said, y'all hit that like button, guys. We got 126 likes. I think we can do a little bit better than that. AMC dipping down. Are you guys buying this dip here? Let me know. Vote on the poll as well, guys. We got 293 votes. 60% of you think no, or say no, you're not buying the AMC dip. 40% of you think yes, you are buying the AMC dip. So let me know what you guys are planning on doing here. Do you think we'll have a bounce in crypto this week? Honestly, I have no idea, JB. I'm more of a reactionary trader, brother. I just try to react to what happened. But yeah, guys, like I said, sign up to, if you want to play Halo, add my gamer tag. I can literally add you as a friend right now. So if you want to be my friend on Xbox, hey, add me. We can play. All right, guys, we're still in CA and F. We're still in CA and F. All right, guys, still waiting for CA and F. AMC dipping down to 28s. We'll see if it bounces here. All right, guys. All right, AMC dipping down to 28. Should I add some more here? What do you guys think? SOPA moving. Yeah, SOPA's got to get over the VWAP and hold. It's at 450s now, so that might get interesting here, but we got to wait for that. It's right around the VWAP now. Let me fix this here. We got to get it. It needs to, for me personally, it needs to get a little bit higher over VWAP and then pull back some. If it's too small of a rip over VWAP, it's not usually going to hold well, to be honest there. Dude, the Xbox app is being freaking weird. Anyways, AMC dipping down. CA and F, we're still right around these levels here. Again, we got to just wait for some moves back up. All right, so we're right around break even. AMC back up to about right around where I got in. Right around where I got in. Okay, nice. We got a few followers. I see. Who's the followers? We got Try, and then we got Ballin since 91. Shout out to you guys. You added me as friends. Yeah, go ahead and add me, guys, on Xbox. Listen, y'all want to play Halo with me? B Trading. BTRADING. B Trading. Add me. We can play. Y'all get beat at Halo. All right, so we did get a pullback for CA and F. We're just kind of hanging out, waiting for this to happen. We'll see what we get. We're being patient with it, but yeah. Yeah, we'll see. I already scaled out of AMC a little bit, and it's working, so we're holding it. SOPA's got to get and hold over the VWAP here, which is a big, who knows if it will. My point. What else we got? SPRB, we got BFRI, SEAC, and more. So watch the VWAP in the 9 moving. Great trades. Nice, man. All right, AMC, we're still breaking even. OCGN is trying. SOPA is trying to pop back up too. We'll see if it holds. We got some moves. We're waiting, guys. Look, I'll go ahead and add Try and Ballin as friends. I'm still trying to get into CA and F. I don't know, though. This one's taking some time. All right, guys, CA and F is up. We got SOPA at 450s. What's pre-market doing this morning? Is SOPA a short squeeze play? Here's SOPA popping back up. Is SOPA short squeeze? Let me know. Does look a little fuzzy. I have to set it at 720. Well, that has to do with your internet, brother, most of the time. ADGI is not doing that hot, it looks like. Here's ADGI. It's at 1120s. It's still holding most of its gains, though. So, like, it started at 550. It went all the way up to 16. It's at 1120. So, it's still holding most of it. I'm looking for a new front-loading guru. Can anyone help? Not me, bro. Not me, man. All right, guys. So we got CA and F on the move. It's at 211s. ADGI is at 1120s. When is that supposed to happen? So is the president speaking today? Let me look at the SPY and see what we got down. Going down here. All right, so CA and F starting to pop back. It's at 216. I'm sorry to hear that, Hart. It happens, though, brother. All right, so we're back up to break even here, guys. So we're break even now for CA and F. It's ripping up here too. So we are break even here for this one. It's up there to 217s. So it doesn't look that bad. What do we have here? I see like SOPA's moving a lot. All right, so we're still break even. We've been holding CA and F for a long time now. I'm down 200 on CIM. What's up, B? Hey, thank you. Yeah, y'all smash that like button. Love this channel. Hit the like, and I promise Santa Claus will be good to you, eh? Trading for a week now. Where's the Lambo? 400 watching, 142 likes. Smash the like button. Do it now, guys. All right, we're still at CA and F. We're waiting for some of these to reclaim the VWAP here, and we'll see when that happens. We're watching OCGN looking for the same thing. SOPA, we're looking for the same thing. AMC, we already bought that dip. CA and F, we're just seeing if we get a pop-up. That's really what we're waiting on. Hit that like button like B says here. Smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. Definitely appreciate it if you do. If the UFC... All right. I have 3 Lambos. PTPI gonna jump today? I don't know. We'll see. Nobody really knows. We're just kind of waiting to see. Here's PTPI. We're gonna react to it if it does. Let me know your top 4. Let me know your top 3 best holiday movies right now. Let me know your top 3, guys. I got to go with my top 3: Christmas Vacation, A Christmas Story, and then Jingle All the Way. That's my top 3, you know. Let me know yours. What's up, Mountain? Hey, good morning, bro. SRT. AGRX popping back up. Still waiting for CA&F. AFC consolidating over on the VWAP. Yeah, SOPA is interesting. Small float. It's just got to get over VWAP and hold. It's been consolidating here for a minute now. Well, we'll see. It's just got to get over that level and actually hold. Who knows if it will, you know. All right, so AGRX popped up a little bit here. I don't think there's anything I'm missing here. I think I basically got everything. I mean, we got CA&F gapping up like you can see here. SOPA on the move. We've got VRS that's up some, but this has no liquidity or volume with it. SRT is up, same thing, no volume. CTK is up, but it pulled back already. ITCI is up, but the volume's light on that one too. LCTX is trying. People are watching PTPI as well as like BFRI, as well as AGTI. Or what is it? What was it? What was the one that was moving? We got it in our title today. It was OCGN. Yeah, we're definitely watching that. What was the mover? It was last week. It was like AGT something. I gotta find it. ADGI is what it was. ADGI. You know, a lot of people are gonna be watching ADGI as well today. You know, this one had a big move last week on Friday or Thursday and Friday. This thing ripped, and then Thursday or Friday it dipped down a little bit, but it's still holding most of its gains, and it's also holding over $10 here. Now, again, I'm not saying this is going to go up. I'm not saying that this one's going to fly up today. Really, I have no idea. It might just crash down for all I know. But what I am saying is that it's up. It's holding a lot of its gains, and there's a lot of traders probably stuck in this. And so when that happens, you get a lot of traders paying attention to it, and ultimately, you know, sometimes you'll get some volatile days after the first day. So we're watching ADGI to see if we get a continuation. Kind of the same thing with SPRB or SPRB. SPRB ripped up Friday. So, you know, SPRB gapped up and then flew all the way up to 580s right now. It's currently at 4. The risk here is that you can get hit with an offering. But this one had some big percentage moves, and so regardless of that, we're still going to be watching SPRB here as well. We're holding CA&F, we're holding AMC, we are watching the rest of these, and we'll see what happens. There's not really much else to talk about today. We're just going to do a little bit of tech time in a second, you know. You can call me either one, Dwayne. You can call me BT, Beginner Trading, John. Hey, what's up, James? Merry Christmas, brother. Good to see you, dude. Yeah, it's all good, man. Hey, you got your real estate license. Congrats, brother. Congrats, man. Good luck, brother. You know, I wish you the best. Hope you do well, man. Real estate's a good gig, bro. It's a good gig. It's something that you could always if you hustle enough at real estate, you can make bank doing it. Now real estate is all about building up a base. So the first year is going to be tough. You know, first year is going to be tough. Most of the time, it depends on how many connections you have, really. Like, I live out in Houston, so I don't have a ton of connections out here. So my first year in real estate was tough. But if you grow up in your hometown, like if I was in BR, my real estate would have been great. I would have known a million people. But because I'm in Texas and I'm from Baton Rouge originally, my first year was tough. First year in real estate is usually difficult, but if you know some people, you just got to market. You just got to market yourself, market to them, figure out a niche, and then, you know, really market that niche. Best advice I can give you. Good luck, James, on that. But happy for you, brother. John, do you have a big gap on your Tesla 1 hour chart too? Big gap where? Where's the gap? You mean here in pre? Yeah, just from where it opened and closed. You know, it's just right here. This is the gap that you probably see here from 930s to 910. Usually that's just the differences between what happened to it overnight. Might have had some news that dropped. I'm sure it probably has to do with some news that dropped. Guggenheim initiated coverage with a neutral rating. That might have something to do with it. Also, Europe stocks are down big on fears. BPMP. Nice, James. Hey, happy for you, bro. I'll let mine expire. Yeah, I let mine mine expires during the winter when it's slow, and then I'll reactivate it like spring, getting close to summertime, so I can be an agent then. That's usually how I do it. FSM is up. We're still in CA and F. Just kind of chilling for this one. Yeah, you can also join another agent's team for sure. Hey, that's dope, James. Yeah, that's the way to do it, brother. If you got a buddy with you that can make it a little bit less lonely of a gig, that's the best, man. Especially if he already has his license, he can kind of mentor you a little bit. That's a good idea. You'll do well, brother. You know what I mean? What's up, Juan? Hey, good morning, brother. All right, so DraftKings. I mean, we're still looking at DraftKings. I've been talking about these dips for the last few days. I do tend to like DraftKings dip. What do you guys think of DraftKings? Do you think it's good long term? Let me know. What's your risk in money per trade? I mean, that varies. It's not necessarily a set monetary risk per trade. It's usually a set ratio. It's usually about 1 to 1. All right, so we're still in CA and F, still in AMC, watching DraftKings, watching OCG, and watching SOPA. So we're going to do a little bit of tech time today. I think tech time can be valuable right now. Yeah, the SPY's just down, man. The SPY's been tanking a lot of stuff. But all right, guys. So all right, so let's do a little bit of tech time today, guys. So we're going to talk about why paying attention to the volume weighted average price is important in the beginning and how you should ultimately watch some of these moves. All right, there's a lot of traders that get really excited here. There's a lot of traders that get really excited here. We're going to minimize this a little bit. There's a lot of traders that get really excited here. And they get excited because they think the crossover VWAP is just a good trend change. But if you don't wait for a confirmation hold, you're going to get rejected a huge percentage of the time, especially in penny stocks. Like, look at these rejections right at the VWAP level. This tells you that a lot of traders are paying attention to this. And so you need confirmation over this level. And what I mean by that is that you need something like this. Like, whenever a stock is starting to test the VWAP, you want it to consolidate over the volume weighted average price, usually at least for a certain period of time. For me personally, I want it to consolidate there for at least a few minutes. And then once we get a really nice consolidation and then a little bit bigger break over it, then we can attack these pullbacks here. if that makes sense. But if you attack these too prematurely here, if you try to jump in on these, you're going to get rejected a lot of the time. And I think SOPA is honestly a really good example of that here. You know, if you don't wait for a consolidation hold over the VWAP and support holding, you're going to get faked out a huge percentage of the time. And so one of the biggest trend changes in the market, one of the biggest trend identifying things is just confirmation holds over the volume weighted average price. And this happens regardless of what stock you're looking at. You know, this happens regardless of what stock you're looking at. Even if we look at CANF right when it first started to make this initial push that it's in right now. If you look at CANF, what happens? It breaks and holds over the VWAP area. And then a lot of traders are buying these dips. So they're buying this dip here. And then we break and hold again over the VWAP here. So once we get multiple confirmation holds over the volume weighted average price, that's when it's your green light to attack dips. And the dips can come like this. You can buy these type of dips right here, just waiting for the dips to the VWAP, the volume weighted average price, the VWAP here. And that happens a pretty significant amount of time. And the big thing you want to understand with these guys, like the big thing, if you're looking to trade the VWAP, the biggest thing you want to understand is that it's not going to work 100% of the time. You're basing it off of a favorable probability here, though. So like once a stock holds and confirms over the VWAP, you're betting on a favorable probability. You know, I would say in my own personal experience, when a stock breaks and holds over the VWAP, I usually have anywhere between 60 and 80% accuracy. So it's going to work 60 to 80% of the time, specifically mentioning holds over the VWAP here. And it's not always going to hold. And so you need to take advantage of that type of accuracy when you're trading the VWAP a lot of the time. You're looking to buy things and hold over the VWAP. And again, you're going to look for a favorable accuracy because most of the time that's going to work. Especially if you have a stock that has really high volume, really good volume, that's usually going to be indicative of a better trend holding, and you can ultimately capitalize on it in an easier way when the volume is the highest, right? And so that's what you're looking to attack. Once you get a stock like CANF maintaining a specific trend, you can buy these dips, scale out on the bounces if you want it, or just get into a little bit broader, longer term trade. If we bring up like AMD, and I think AMD is a good example because it maintains nice trends, you know, a big percentage of the time, I would say. But let's look at this example down here for AMD. All right, so let's make this a little bit higher. We're slightly green on our CANF trade, and we'll come back to that. But if we look at AMC here, the first thing is like you got to be able to identify sideways neutral action. So if we look at AMD here, the first thing we see is sideways neutral action. And so when we get that sideways trend, we're really just looking for a confirmation hold over the VWAP. And that's exactly what we got right here. So once we get this confirmation hold here, I want you guys to really see it. You see that confirmation hold? If we activate this and make it smaller, you'll be able to really see what I mean. Look at that confirmation hold right here. Once we get that, that's the green light to attack the upward trend. And so again, once we get that, you can buy this pullback here. If you want to get a little bit bigger, you can buy these pullbacks here, these little micro pullbacks. But that's giving us a window of opportunity to attack an upward trend. And then eventually the trend's going to break. Here's the trend breaking here. And kind of the same thing. Once we get a confirmation hold on the downside here, that's our that's opening us to attack a downward trend. So we get the confirmation hold, and then we get the downward trend, and then we break over, we get the confirmation hold, and so forth and so on. But that's kind of how you do it to protect yourself in the market. You want to look for confirmations over that specific level, and if you can identify the trend like that, it's a pretty easy way to trade. Once you start trading it, you get pretty comfortable fast. And so it becomes a lot easier as time goes on. And yeah, it's my favorite way to trade. It's the most profitable way I've traded. All right, so we're finally green here. We're going to take some off. All right, we took some off there for CANF. Our patience worked out. But yeah, let me know if you got any questions on the VWAP that I just talked about. All right, we're getting a nice breakout for CANF. It worked. It worked. We'll see if it keeps it up. All right, so we got this move up here for CANF. Green again. Now that we're at the top of the range, we're going to look to just take some off if we can. All right, so we took a little bit off there, holding 10 shares. Not bad though. We're still in AMC as well. Watching SOPA too, but it's taking a little bit longer here for SOPA. But yeah, it worked in CNF, and the same concept here. We buy the dip, you ride the bounce, you scale out around the top, and that's if you want to scale out there. It's completely up to you. Yeah, stopping out gets depressing. Yeah, but I mean, again, I've said it before and I'll say it again. The margins are not incredible when it comes to day trading. Like, you're not going to get huge margins. Like, the only people trying to pretend like they get some type of 90% accuracy rate with 3-to-1, 4-to-1 rewards to risk. The only people pretending they consistently get that are usually people trying to shill a course, to be honest. Like, that's usually the only people trying to really pretend like that's like a normal, regular thing, and they know it's not. But again, most of the time the margins are not going to be that good. You're going to have little small windows of opportunity with those situations, but most of the time the margins are not incredible. Most of the time the margins are, you're going to get 1-to-1 accuracy rate. A lot of the time you're going to get good accuracy, but there's a direct correlation between favorable accuracy rate and risk and reward. So if you want an incredible accuracy rate, if you're trying to get just an incredible accuracy rate, you better understand your risk and reward is going to go down. Your ratio is going to get worse. And if you want a really good reward to risk ratio, your accuracy is 100% going to drop. Now, you might have small little opportunities where you can take both, but they're usually not like that. And that's something you really got to understand. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it is. I made such and such on this. Buy my $9,000 program. Yeah. Is there an average percentage that a stock will bounce off the VWAP? No, it's too nuanced than that, Bob. So, like, it's way too nuanced for that. Like, it depends on the conditions, the stock, the sector, the price range, the volume. Like, it's just really nuanced. I have no idea, Abdul. I'm not really out here giving out stock picks. I don't really like giving out stock picks. I don't think it's really a good practice, and I think you're gonna have better results. You're gonna get scammed if you're out here looking for stock picks. Abdul, the best way to do it is just to learn yourself, brother. But if you're out here asking for stock picks, you're really setting yourself up psychologically to get manipulated by people that are just trying to sell a course or sell stock picks themselves. So just don't. Stock picks are usually not going to help you make money, brother. The best thing you can do is you're going to look out in your own best interest, and so learn yourself. In that way, you'll protect yourself, and you'll do good that way. Yeah. No, he doesn't have 4-to-1 or 3-to-1 reward to risk star. No matter what he says. Like, most of the time, if you're scalping, you're going to have a 1-to-1 ratio with good scalps. Sometimes you'll have a 2-to-1. But again, when you're scalping, you're not going to get a 3-to-1 or a 4-to-1 ratio. That's actually the opposite of what scalping means. Scalping means you're taking short-term momentum trades that have high accuracy but break even reward to risk most of the time. And so if you're getting 3-to-1 or 4-to-1, it's usually not going to be a scalp. It's usually going to be a longer term trade. All right, we're still in CANF here. AMD's dipping down a little bit. What about OCGN? We're still looking at OCGN. We're in AMC. I'm still looking at like ADGI too. But OCGN's starting to look a little bit better. If it gets back up to 6 and then pulls back some, we might buy that dip a little bit here. Not really, Pasita. No, not really, brother. slow day again, but I don't mind slow days, to be honest. Like, I kind of like hanging out with you guys on slow days, in all honesty. All right, Ocgen try to pop. AMC consolidating. SOPA under VWAP here. He's got to get over VWAP and hold. Where's the team mascot? She's sleeping right now. She didn't feel good. Yeah. Who's buying the crypto dip? I'm probably going to be buying some of this crypto dip. Like, at least some of it, man. And again, if y'all want to add me on Halo, we're going to be doing a Halo meetup, maybe today, maybe not. But my gamer tag for Halo is BTrading. BTrading, BTRADING is my gamer tag. So add me. We can play some Halo if you guys want to. SOPA rejecting at 450s. We got AMC at 2830s. We got Ocgen at 580s. So we'll see. No, she ate what I think it's this chicken jerky that makes her nauseous. All right, so here's Ocgen. TOS dropping out. Music was a little bit too much for me. Here goes SOPA, guys. SOPA up there, 450s, 460s here for SOPA. We lost a little bit on this one earlier this morning. What are we down today, guys? We're down a little bit in pre-market. We're down $4.62. So we're not doing bad. We're up at AMC. We made money on CANF. We're down about $5. Listen, if this one pulls back, we might buy a little bit. Like if it gets up to 470 and then dips, then we're talking. Ocgen, same kind of thing here. All right, guys. So there's CANF at 230s. No, Pasita, I've already answered that, brother. No, not really. I mean, not in any realistic way. Like you can identify crosses over the VWAP, but knowing the day before what stocks are gonna gap up, no, there's not really any way to do that. And anybody claiming to know, unless they have insider information, which is illegal, anybody claiming to know is usually just trying to sell you something. There's no way to really catch a big gap up the next day. Not really, at least. Yeah. Ocgen, yeah, Ocgen testing VWAP here. We still got SOPA here. SOPA's trying to. SOPA's at 450s. So we're watching this. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Now we're going to add a little bit more to this dip for CANF here. SOPA, we're still considering it. It's at 450s. It's just a huge range, so we might buy 15 shares right here just to see if it'll hold. We're in 15 shares of SOPA. We bought a little bit to this dip for CANF. We're still in AMC. We're watching Ocgen now. The ferrets aren't here anymore, Lonnie. We got rid of them before we got the dog. I appreciate the help though, but yeah, we got rid of them before we got rid of them. We gave them away to like some girl that she already had ferrets and she had the cages and the everything ready for them. So we already got rid of the ferrets. All crypto is mostly dipping right now. We're gonna add another 5 shares here. 25 shares now. Yeah, all cryptos are mostly down. Bitcoin's down to 45.6. OCGN tried. AMC's still moving up. All right, so AMC still trying to move up. It's at 28.60. So let's see if we can break an in green on the day. We bought some SOPA here, small size. We added a little bit to CA and F here. 2020, so we're slightly green on this position too. AMC started to move up to 28.70s. We got a nice little pop up here. All right, so we got a nice little move here for SOPA. Took a little bit off there, riding the rest up. We might add a little bit to this dip here. So we get a dip here for this. We might add a little bit. We're going to add a little bit more. 35 shares of CA and F. We were thinking about buying that dip. AMC's pushing up. OCGN is up there as well. OCGN trying. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to buy the dip. We'll see. I'm thinking about it. Vote on the poll right now, guys. So far, we got over 400 votes on are you buying the AMC dip? Let me know. 60% of you think no. 40% of you think yes, you are buying the dip. Let me know. You know, we're holding a few different things this morning. Let me know if you're buying these dips. Also, hit the like button, guys. Let's try to get over 200 if we can early today. So smash the like, hit the sub button, guys. We're almost break even. We're pretty close. We're going to go ahead and get out of SOPA here. We'll buy some more on the dip, to be honest. And so we're down $1 today in pre-market, so almost exactly break even, which you love to see. I mean, we needed it. All right, we got a little pop in C8F. Watching AMC and holding it. We're still looking for OCGN to break back over VWAP here. Same thing with ADGI. Like if ADGI can get back over the VWAP, we might buy a little bit of that. AMC, we've already locked in some profits. So we can be a little bit more loose with that and how we trade it. All right, yeah, let's see C Hodges. Again, if we get a little dip for SOPA, we might buy some more. We're just going to wait for that. This is moving up nicely, though, for CA and F here. Again, we're down, we're break even exactly at pre-market, so not bad. We'll see if we can end in green. We got about 35 minutes until the market opens. 35 minutes or so. What's up, Pawn? We just took a little bit off here for CANF. Or no, we didn't get filled. We'll just leave that there, see if we can ride that up. All right, so we got filled. Nice. Hey, and that brings us to green on the day, guys. Another green pre-market. We're up 24 cents this morning, guys. Balling out of control here today, you know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this money, but we're living life over here. OCGN is trying to make a pop back up. Yeah, Peter. Most of the time during regular market hours, I use market orders, and I know that's going to be criticized by a lot of experienced traders. The reality of it is, I trade with whatever gets me filled and in and out the fastest, right? Like, I can be really, really accurate if I can bet on momentum, and if I can get filled instantly, I'm going to use market orders. It's been working for the last few months, and I'm going to keep using them probably because of that. It's just been a profitable way to trade, a really profitable way to trade. All right, so we do have CANF continuing to move up here. All right, we're doing nicely here for CANF here. See if we can keep moving up. Longer term trade, but my pre-market trades have been working here. So we'll cover a little bit more into that. We're up, you know, we're up some. Yeah, pre-market, I didn't really start trading pre-market until I was really experienced, to be honest. Pre-market's tough, man. A lot of traders really want to trade it, but they're just going to get stuck. All right, so we're going to start to scale into this position here. For SOPA, our entry is 476. All right, so we're in with 20 shares. Like I said, adding on this dip, looking for a bounce back up. We're going to add into this 460, 450 support. So this is good enough for now. We'll see if we get some more. All right, we'll add another little dip, a little 30 shares on this dip. Trying to scale into SOPA, see if we get a pop. Hey, thank you, Fishing. I mean, I don't know 3P. I mean, it's up to you, brother. I don't know how many shares you should buy, bro. I don't know what's going to work and what doesn't. I'd rather not give out stock picks. Hey, thank you, Addo. Hey, thank you, brother. He said, Merry Christmas, John. 6 months trading following you. You give sound advice. I just wish I had followed it better. It's all good, Addo. I appreciate the support, brother. Thank you, man. Thank you for that $5, bro. I appreciate you. All right, we're going to add a little bit more into SOPA here. Like I said, we're going to add into this dip. Pretty close to break even for this one. So we're going to see if it works. But yeah, thank you, Ado. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you, Fish. Appreciate that too. It's a slow day. We don't have a ton of stuff moving, to be honest, right now. All right, so we're in with 40 shares here. I'm going to add one more lot here, make it 50. All right, so we're in with 50 shares. Probably the biggest position we've taken this morning. Hey, thank you, Ado. I'm down from averaging down on falling knives. Yeah, I mean, I think I average into my position sometimes, kind of like I'm doing here with SOPA. Like, the biggest thing if you're doing this, though, is you got to give yourself a risk. Like, in this case, it's 450. And I don't mind risking what happens if it breaks under 450. But I think we got the VWAP underneath us as well as a $0.50 level. And so I think when I can scale into that, that's what usually works for me. But I appreciate it, Ado. Thank you, brother. What does SOPA even do? I'm not sure. I'm not long-term investing in it, so I really don't know. GRTX. Yeah, OCGN, we're just waiting to see if it gets over VWAP here. GRTX, this one doesn't look bad. It just needs a little bit more volume, but it's pulling back to the VWAP here. But it doesn't look horrible. All right, so we're in SOPA. Yeah, and y'all download the Squeeze app. You can get free short float data and information all for free. Doesn't cost a penny. Gives you short float, float size, market cap, buy ratings, sell ratings, hold ratings. It gives you institutional ownership. It gives you SEC filings. It tells you the short float in a really accurate way, short volume percentage. A lot of that stuff all for free, guys. So check out the link. There's the link right there. Yeah, for sure. All right, so we're still in. Thank you, Fishing. We try over here, bro. We try, man. You know. Like I said, I just think a lot of traders are brainwashed to just let's get rich. We're gonna get rich. I'm gonna get rich in the stock market. I gotta get rich right now. You know. But like most people that try to get rich fast are not going to. Like becoming wealthy takes a long time to build up whatever it is, regardless of what it is. You know. And so building anything like that takes a long time. AMC's starting to do well. So, hey, you love to see it for AMC. All right, so we're slightly break even here for SOPA. Slightly break even. Man, another green pre-market though, man. We'll take it. We've been green like every pre-market for the last week. Right, we're still in CANF. I'm gonna get ready to start scaling up in size too because being this green in pre-market has been nice. Yeah, for sure. Needing to get rich quick will cause you to go broke fast in trading. And I get it. It's the cool thing to do. Everybody wants to get rich quick in the stock market. I get it. But like most of the people you see promoting get rich quick type of trades, get rich quick opportunities, get rich quick nonsense, whether it's on TikTok, whether it's on anywhere, most of the people doing that are usually selling a service, you know, and so they need to act like it's a lot more profitable. Again, in day trading, the margins are not incredible. They're not. And you're not going to get 4-to-1 reward to risk with a 90% accuracy consistently. It's just never going to happen. And so, like I said, if you, my honest opinion is that if you want to get good accuracy trades, like if you're really trying to get good accuracy trades, look for a 1-to-1 ratio. Like if you want 80-90%, look for a 1-to-1 ratio. You're going to be protected. You're going to be safe. And you know, you're going to be able to figure out what really gives you that type of accuracy rate consistently. Or if you want a really big reward to risk ratio, like if you're looking for 2, 3, 4-to-1 reward to risk, understand your accuracy might be like 55, you know, percent, which is fine. That's good. You know, that's 55 is a good accuracy rate. But again, it just doesn't sound as good as, hey, I got 90% accuracy rate with 3-to-1, 4-to-1. And so people want so hard, people want people to believe them so much that they end up saying these ludicrous things. And like the reality of it is the margins are not that good. And so you have to be incredibly disciplined if you want to succeed at trading. The margins are not incredible, you know. Look at AMC doing right. I've been right about the AMC dip every single time. You know, I ended up getting stopped out last time, so I didn't actually take advantage of the full position for AMC. But every time I bought this dip, it's eventually ran immediately afterwards. Yeah, for sure. I wish the crypto market was more volatile, man. All right, AMC's rip it up, guys. Hey, vote on the poll. I asked you guys if y'all were buying the AMC dip. I did. I bought the AMC dip. Worked out incredibly well. We're gonna see if we can keep it up. I just don't know what else I could really do for CA and F. We're just gonna take our last 10 shares off here. They filled me 5 shares. Okay, whatever. All right, so we just got out of that. AMC flying up. We're still sitting in this one. Like I said, my risk is about 450, so we got a 450 risk. We'll let this work. AMC is looking really good. GRTX is bouncing up too. What about OCGN? Did it ever do anything? OCGN trying to break over VWAP, but just not holding. We're still trying to be patient with SOPA here, SOPA. And then AMC is looking great. All right, so far we have traded AMC, CANF, GRTX, and SOPA. Still in SOPA now with 50 shares. We're trying to give that patience. Still in AMC. Trying to let these work. But we've been pretty right about most of these, enough to where we're green on the day. What's up, cats? QD? All right, AMC popping back up. It's at 28.90s. QD is too slow. There's nothing going on. 90 cents a share, very low volume, really rough looking daily chart. Just not really my style. Not saying it's not going to do anything. I don't know, but just not really my style of trading. BRG, rip it up, guys. Look at BRG. What is this? This is Blue Rock. Let's see what the reason for BRG's run up is. Look at BRG right now. Blue Rock Residential. Blackstone Bill is going to buy Blue Rock Residential in a $3.6 billion deal. So Blue Rock Residential Growth Real Estate Investment Trust is going to be acquired by the affiliates of Blackstone Real Estate in a $3.6 billion transaction. So pretty good. Pretty good catalyst for BRG flying up. AMC's moving up too. So, hey, you love to see it. AMC's up. We're going to hold. You know, like I said, we bought the dip here. And we're riding that up. Almost break even in SOPA too. So we're up about $15 again in pre-market. Another green pre-market. Scaling out of stuff along the way. We got BRG up there to 26. We're pretty close to break even in SOPA here. I wish I could have gotten maybe a little bit better entry at 465 or so, but my entry is 473, and we're close to that now. If we get a pop up to 487, we'll take some off. See if we can get up to $20, $25 on the day, give myself a little bit of a cushion. All right, slightly green. AMC's flying up here, guys. So AMC's looking great. Pretty close to break even here for SOPA. We're going to chill in AMC right now. We're not going to do nothing. BRG pulling back a little bit, though. BRG's kind of interesting here. Big range, though. So we're going to wait. Look at AMC fly, though, guys. So AMC's popping up, and we're green in it. We bought the dip earlier this morning, and we told you guys about it. We even did a poll. You know, are you guys buying the AMC dip? And most people said no. You got to listen to my polls, man. When you're right, you're right. right, so we're nice. We're gonna sell half of this position here for SOPA, for SOPA. Just sold half. That basically brings us to green on that position today as well. And we're up about $23 today. So not too shabby, guys. We'll take the green trades. Man, honestly, I gotta start trading in pre-market more, because like even if I have a few losing trades, I'm realizing if I get a higher volume of trades in, I can end green a large majority of the time in pre-market. Buying mostly overextended dip buys when the market is down. If I could be patient enough to powerful way to trade. What we've been doing, guys, is again analyzing extended charts on the daily chart, looking for large blue chip healthy companies like AMC. That have big followings that people are going to be willing to buy the dip on, and we're looking for extension on pullbacks. Like this morning, we had some extension in pre-market here. We had some big downward movement, and we bought it down here, and we're able to ride this dip up. So you love to see it. Like I said, I'm about 20. Fluctuations in AMC are fine. Yeah. I don't use the RSI much. It's not something I've really messed with too much. Speaking of the RSI, just not something I usually trade, or use, honestly. All right, so here's AMC. I might buy a little bit more of AMC here. So we're gonna buy a little bit more of AMC here. I think we can. I bought a little bit more just now. Would have liked to get a little bit better entry on the dip, but it's all good. Yeah, I should be scaling up in pre, because I've just been making money, man, in pre-market. It's been very profitable, pre-market trading. It's something where I got to scale up in size, I think. AMC, man, is this the next short squeeze, guys? Let me know. CA and F breaking highs too. I mean, the only one that not really working for us is SOPA here, but we already took some off there, so we already protected ourselves. But we can also add on this dip now. Let's see, maybe we'll add like 5 shares, get a little bit better average here. Yeah. So not too bad. AMC's ripping up too. I should have bought this BRG dip. I was really thinking about it. But AMC's pushing up, breaking highs again here. All right, we just added another 5 shares to SOPA here, SOPA, and then AMC is consistently popping up here, looking good. Here's the pre-market right now. We're up about 20 bucks on the day. So yeah, we're dipping down for SOPA, so we're gonna get ready to take some off if it can't hold here. We're not gonna hold it to 450s now. We'll probably hold it under 460s. Hope it can hold. If it can, great. We're also getting a pullback in BRG, and AMC still ripping up nicely. You love to see it. Hey, here goes AMC squeezing up big here, guys. Wow. All right, yeah, we're up really nicely on AMC. Well, AMC's squeezing a little bit right now, I think. But it's hard to tell whether it's a squeeze. AMC's numbers have not been super indicative of squeezes. The short flow is just not high enough, to be honest, for AMC. Like if I bring up the squeeze app, let me pull it up. Let me make sure we're not running too many things on my laptop though, or my computer. But let me bring it up. But I don't know if it's a squeeze or like what the reasoning is for this, to be honest. Here's BRG dipping down a little bit. Here, but let me bring up the squeeze app and we'll see what's up. Getting a little bit of lag here. Let me know if y'all are lagging out on my computer at all. You're hilarious. Awesome content. Hindsight's 2020. Well, I mean, what do you mean? Are you trolling me a little bit, Lonnie? Explain yourself, sir. Yeah, pre-market, we just been making money. Like, we've made money every day in pre-market for the last, I don't know how long, for the last like week at least. So yeah, under 460 is where we're gonna get out of this one. It's the first L we're taking in a minute. Still up almost $20 in pre-market today. So we've been making money even with small size. Like we've been building up a stack. Again, 450s is probably where our risk is gonna be. Probably where our risk is gonna be. AMC, we're just gonna chill here and see what happens. Let's get the music rolling here. There we go. All right, so we bounced a little bit at 460s, which is what we wanted. Who knows if we're going to keep bouncing, though. All right, guys. AMC bounced it a little bit. I don't know what I want to do with BRG here. We're still holding it, but I don't know what we want to do. Hey, thank you, Swervin. I appreciate you, bro. It's a squeeze, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm pulling up my short squeeze app to see what we get. Let me just give me a second, guys. Let me pull up the short squeeze app. And again, you can download the squeeze app here to check short flow data and information. All free. I'm gonna buy like 5 shares of BRG. Don't judge me, guys. I'm buying like 5 shares of this. Okay? Don't judge me. 5 shares. We're in 5 shares of BRG. Let's see if it works. How about T Wood getting knocked out, bro? How about that? How about T Wood getting knocked out? Did anybody see that? That stuff was crazy, bro. That was crazy. Honestly, Jake Paul did that, you know? So yeah, looking at the short float for AMC here. AMC 60% short float, 513 million in the float. So it's got some shorts that could get squeezed out. But it's not this huge crazy parabolic squeeze like all the ape crowd is talking about. Like it could happen, but like, you know, we'll see. Yeah, we're in BRG. We'll see. Vortex says 20%. Either way, it's stupid. It's not indicative of a major squeeze like GameStop was, you know. But I think it's still squeezing up some, and I still think this is somewhat of a short squeeze. But it's not going to be a crazy one like GameStop. But it could squeeze up. We'll see. Like I said, it's very like we can look at the institutional ownership and where everything is relative to that. Yeah, CA and F making big moves up, or not institutional ownership. We can look at what the short change is overnight and see if that can indicate anything. And I mean, it's squeezing, but it's squeezing from like after dropping, you know, from 50 down to 30, you know what I mean? So even with the big squeeze, you know, you just be careful, you know. I wouldn't invest my life savings in it. I'll put it that way. You know what I mean? All right, so we're about break even SOPA here. We're in BRG now. We're in BRG. Let's see if we hold. We're break even now for SOPA. All right, so we're in BRG here. It's starting to pull back some. BRG starting to move up. Looks good. All right, we're waiting for SOPA, watching AMC here. Again, I see the poll here from everybody voting. Yeah, watching GRTX here. We'll see if we get something good for it. All right, guys, we got 8 minutes. 8 minutes. GRTX just spiked up. It's at 350s right now. CANF is pulling back some here. Here's GRTX. It's up to 360s. AMC is kind of holding this trend and making somewhat of a move back up. And we're still holding AMC. We'll see what happens. Still in BRG here. I don't know what we want to do with this. All right, again, 450 or 460 is going to be my risk here for SOPA. Oof, yeah, we got to get out here while we can. Was able to get out on that little bounce here for SOPA. Just too big of a drop, too big of size coming in there. So we're not going to mess with that. Here's GRTX. Still very green in pre-market. Been a very profitable pre-market session. GRTX is flying up too. We lost a little bit super early this morning, but let me see what my P&L is now. We're green for sure. Yeah, we're up $15 still. So about $15 gain. And we'll see what happens with BRG here. There goes GRTX flying up. AMC dipping down a little bit. CANF is dipping here too. A little bit tempted to buy this. It's just too close to the opening bell. We got 6 minutes, guys. So 6 minutes into the opening bell. We'll see what happens. You know. See if this holds for BRG. AMC dipping down too. making money is in the market is simply a matter of repeating the same effective steps time and time again. Exactly. It's all a conditioning thing. Like making money in the stock market is really just conditioning yourself through repetition to do the correct things. And that takes time. It's not something that comes just instantly. It's one of the reasons like buying a course usually doesn't work, because most of the time it's just more profitable to condition yourself through repetition than following anybody's course. Like you can find free information on finding effective strategies. And then once you learn the effective strategies and the effective technical analysis techniques that you can use to make money, then you just condition yourself through repetition. So you just repeat it over and over and over again. Just like Rosie, we're training our dog Rosie. She can do all these tricks now. We just conditioned her through repetition to do the right thing, and that took time. That took some time, but she's really good at it now. And now she, if you didn't see the video from before, Rosie's doing great. Super proud of her. Super happy with her, and yeah, she's doing a great job. Here's Rosie again. I'll put the video up just because I'm a proud dad of a dog.
Spin.
Look at this. Look at her, man. She's just killing it.
Lay down. Stay. Come. Up. No, not spin.
Just up, like I'm.
Up. Up. Yeah. Good. Sit. Shake. Up. Come. Spin.
Genius dog over here. But just like Rosie got conditioned through repetition to do those tricks, you got to do the same thing with your own trading. You got to condition yourself through repetition to do the correct things, and that takes time. So don't rush it. You'll get it. Yeah, what's up, bro? GRTX is flying up. I don't know what I want to do with it. It's pulling back to 350. I could buy this dip. I could buy this dip for GRTX. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I buy the dip in GRTX? Let me know. Let me know if you think I should buy the dip here. We're trying. Yeah, they really are super smart, bro. Like she learns tricks super smart, dude. I show her a trick once. She's on it. Here's CA and F. There's BRG. Occugen, is Occugen moving up? We're still in BRG here. I don't know if I want to hold this one through the open. There's OCGN. So I don't know if I want to hold it through the open or not. But OCG is popping back over VWAP here. What do you guys think? Should I hold BRG throughout the open? Should I hold this through the open? I hold BRG through the opening bell, guys. Let me know what your thoughts on that are. I'm currently 5 shares, so it's a baby position. But if we can make some money on it, we can make some money on it. And I don't know. We can also add some more to AMC. We could add to CA and F. Let's see what we get. We're greening this morning, though, in pre-market. We got about a minute and a half left, though, guys. About a minute and a half left. Yes. Nope. Yes. No, it's trading above purchase price. Bitcoin miners, another bad day. John, I would. Scared money don't make money. Yep, I feel you. But buy out under your price for BRG? That's probably a little bit right. I guess I'm a little bit more tempted to sell and then just buy some new positions after the opening bell. We got about a minute until open. About 1 minute, guys. We got about a minute. But the reason I showed you the video of my dog, guys, is so you guys can understand, like, profitable trading is exactly that. It's the same exact concept. You figure out the right things to do, and then you condition yourself through repetition to do them without even thinking about it. That's how you become a good trader. All right, guys. Hey, opening bell's coming really soon, guys. Good luck. I guess we're gonna hold BRG slightly. Oh no, actually, it's too much risk. We're just going to get out here. We'll reset. AMC dipping down to the previous closing price. We'll see if we bounce there. We got about 20 seconds, guys. We're going to do a little bit of a countdown. 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good luck, guys. Here's the bell. Ding, ding, ding. Good luck. right, so AMC dipping down right at the opening bell. Let's see what happens. I don't think we're in. Yeah, AMC is the only thing we're still in. So we'll watch that one, but we don't mind holding it a little bit longer if it sets up well. We just want to see a bounce of the VWAP and a continuation for AMC. With BRG, we'll see what happens there. With CA and F is moving as well. Let me put some music on so we can go crazy at the opening bell. All right, so AMC down. Let's see what happens here. CA and F is trying. BRG is trying. GRTX pulling back to the VWAP here. ADGI is down. All right, AMC getting a big pop. Nice little move up to 2950s here for AMC. Looks good. Looking for red to greens and everything else, to be honest here. Red to greens and everything else. Or green to reds. Either one we'll take, to be honest. We just bought a little bit of the SPY here. We're just trying to take the red to green and the SPY. I'll show you guys this, I guess. Maybe AMC will help this position. We're in 25 shares. A little bitty feeler position. Opening. All right, AMC is looking beautiful right now. Yeah, SPY did not do what we wanted. Oh, crap. I always forget to take the EXT out. All right, so we lost like 8 something, pretty small. We made our money right back in AMC's bullish action, though, so we're all good. What about, look at CA&F, GRTX, down. We're watching all these. Let's switch the scanners over here. All right, so there goes AMC flying up here, guys, flying up. You love to see it. Beautiful moves here. Beautiful moves for AMC. Looking great. All right, look at CA and F, guys. OCG and tanked. AMC's flying up, squeezing up here, guys. You love to see it. AMC's flying up, guys. Yeah, AMC hit 30. Let's see if it bounces support here at for AMC at 30. So AMC's making a big pop. GRTX is popping up too. Look at CA and F as well. Let's see if we hold $30 right here for AMC. Market sideways. GRTX trying to pop. OCG is down. CA&F ripped up some. Well, we got stuck in a few SPY trades where we're down. We're down 25 on the day. We got stuck in a few SPY trades. I think I attacked it way too early. So we lost $42 on the SPY. Kind of rare for me to lose this much on the SPY. But, you know, we're going to wait for a trend to play out. I think we're just trying to scalp it a little bit too quickly here. What did BRG end up doing? Nothing really. AMC broke under 30. Let's see if we get back over 30. I think that's good. CA&F is dipping down some. The VWAP's too low. What else do we have here, guys? I know we got SOPA, which is trying. SOPA's trying to get back over VWAP here. Man, I got to get out of the SPY. The SPY has been pure chop the last 10 or the last 5 minutes, so not really doing that hot. AMC rip it up, break it over 30s. So we are down 35 bucks trading the SPY. So we're going to stop trading the SPY and move on to other stuff and wait for a trend to form. The SPY is just sideways here. Look at this. So we just got a little bit overzealous trading this chop. Maybe it'll break out of this range though eventually. But we got a little overzealous trade in this chop, which happens, you know, inevitable. We made a lot of money last week, to be honest. AMC's popping up really good. GRTX down. Look at SOPA, guys. SOPA and AMC is back over VWAP here. SOPA's breaking highs up to the 490. AMC's up to the 3050s. So AMC's ripping up really, really nicely, breaking highs again. AMC is looking great. Scalped a little bit from the SPY itself, made some money. AMC still moving up. We're holding it. We're gonna let this work. We might actually add a little bit more. We'll add a little bit extra to this position here. Add a little bit more on the SPY. Oof. Yeah, SPY is just chopping me out, bro. It's been doing that all day. Another fake move on the SPY. Down less than 40, though. We still got some time. AMC is making us some money, though, so that's good. We got to wait for this trend to break. SOPA is halted, guys, on the way up. SOPA is halted now, guys, on the upside. Look at this. It's at 520s. Yeah, I've got toilet paper hands too, Tiny. Don't worry about it. Me too. AMC still flying, guys. AMC still moving. CANF dipping down. SOPA should resume in 3 minutes, guys. SOPA should resume in 3 minutes. We'll see. But it should resume in 3 minutes. We'll see. Gonna add a little bit more to AMC on this dip. We're in with a little bit more sizing there. All right, here goes SOPA. So it's still, we still got about 2 minutes before that one's going to resume, but SOPA broke highs. SOPA halted. Apple going again. What's Apple doing? GRTX starting to make a little bit of a pop. Look at GRTX. All right, AMC did bounce a little bit here. We're at my bounce level that we talked about. AMC still doing me right. Look at GRTX bounce right here at the VWAP. It's still moving up. ATRI? ATRI is trying. OGEN is up there too. Look at AMC getting ready to break highs, it looks like here, guys. That's great. Kind of tempted to buy a little bit more with AMC here. I don't know. What do you guys think? How you guys doing? A little bit tempted to buy some more. AMC breaking highs. There's the 3050s, guys. 3050s for AMC looks good. ADGI. Yeah, here's ADGI right here. It's trying. It's got to get back over VWAP and hold. AMC still flying. All right, so we should get the resume in SOPA right now, guys. SOPA should resume right now. We should get a resumption in SOPA. Sometime in the next 60 seconds, we should get SOPA resuming here. So sometime in the next 60, SOPA should be back. Ooh, market just turned. All right, so let's look for the SOPA resumption. It should be like right around now. Ooh, market just turned. All right, so we're still looking for SOPA resumption, unless it's a 10-minute halt. If it's a 10-minute halt, this thing will be open at 45. At 45. All right, market just turned. AMC might be affected by this market reversal. Watching for the SOPA resumption. SOPA should come back right now. Okay, so it's not open yet, so maybe it'll come back after this, but Apple just popped back up. Still waiting for SOPA to resume here. AMC testing VWAP, the volume weighted average price. Scalping a little bit of the SPY, going back and forth here with it. Apple just reclaimed VWAP really nicely. ADGI didn't do much. AMC still trying here. OGEN's trying. MTEX, MTEX, slow. What else is moving, guys? Apple short, BFRI. All right, there goes AMC pop. BFRI is back over VWAP here too. So look at BFRI and the A and AMC pop. Yeah, we just tend to be losing on the SPY today. Hard to predict a trend. We're down less than 50, so it's not a huge down day or anything, but it's certainly not a good day either. Just a really sideways market. So we just got to find a trend. AMC, we might actually add. Oh no, we're gonna wait. That's a big drop. I was thinking we could add a little bit at the VWAP here, but the market is down, so we don't want the market rejecting VWAP here. We get back around 30, we'll add another 5. Small position there. BBIG and ABUS. There's BBIG. BBIG looks good. You know, it's moving some. Here, we gotta change this music. Ironically, that last song is called Wall Street. All right, SOPA is still supposed to be resuming sometime soon. There we go. All right, so SOPA is going to be resuming at 45.53, T says. All right. Just hanging out here. I think it's a slow week in terms of volatility. Yeah, SPY's just neutral. I'm not going to mess with it right now. We've already traded it enough. We might swing for it a little bit later on the SPY, but it's still neutral right now. It's got to maintain that downward trend in an effective way. All right, so in about a minute and a half or so, SOPA should resume. SOPA should resume in about a minute and a half. We'll see. All right, SOPA should be resuming sometime now, like sometime pretty soon. There's 520s. Market turning. Let's see if AMC can hold an upward trend. BFRI popping. Let me put some more music back on. SPY's still trying. Let's see if AMC can get a jump here. That's what we really want to see, is AMC get a pop. All right, so that's not bad. AMC jumping a little bit. We also have BFRI, which I don't mind this little dip here for BFRI. So we'll buy a small position here. All right, we're in 25 shares. All right, look at SOPA resuming, get halted again on the upside. SOPA resumed, it got halted again. All right, so BFRI pulling back, OGN's trying, AMC's still trying to hold, but the market is kind of going back and forth, to be honest. Definitely not an easy day to trade. And we lost a little bit on Apple. We're not doing that hot today. We are down $74 on the day. So not doing that great. I don't love to see it. But last week we made almost $100 a day every day last week. So it was pretty profitable last week, and hopefully we can keep it up, you know. BFRI bounced it a little bit. Still in AMC. Trying to be patient. We're gonna add a little bit more. I think BFRI could pop. When is SOPA supposed to resume? The last one was a 10-minute hold at 46, so it should resume at 51, I guess. All right, so we bought 50 shares of BFRI. The goal should be 10K a day. Yeah, it's a hilarious goal, bro. With a 30K account, that would be 33% per day. Just, yeah, no way that's ever going to happen. And if you think that's reasonable, I'm sure you're joking. But if by the slight chance you're not joking and you think that's reasonable, you got to reevaluate your trading plans, brother. You know. All right, so we're in with a 200K account. That's still too big, bro. You know. That's a big percentage every day. Unreasonable, I think, to be honest. It's pretty unreasonable. I don't think anybody's really going to be able to hit 15% a day growth. That's just not a reasonable expectation. SOPA squeeze app numbers. Let's check the squeeze flow. We can check SOPA. Yeah, we can check SOPA. This is SOPA here. Let's see what shows up. SOPA, no percent short float, 11 million float, tiny float. Kind of crazy, to be honest here. Yeah, but he's just trying to sell courses, Enrique. Like I said, bro, $20,000 a day with a $200,000 account is literally 10% a day. Most traders will be happy if they can get 20% a year, brother. A year, man. And so if you think doing 10% a day is reasonable, and more importantly, if you think that is possible to do consistently, like I said, you're probably watching somebody that wants to sell you courses. No offense, but that is very unreasonable. Like I said, I've traded every day for years. Like I understand what's reasonable and what's not for the most part. And yeah, looking to get 20% a day, 10% a day is just way too high. You should go for maybe like 1 to 2% a day, maybe. Even that's really high. All right, so we're in this a little bit here for BFRR. Yeah, that's how you lose your accounts, brother. You could try to hit that. It's not about the position size. It's about how much you're looking to gain per day on a small account. You know what I mean? Like, that's really what it's about. It's about how much you're looking to get per day on a small account. And 10, 20% a day is not feasible. And anybody that claims it is probably trying to sell you something. All right, market breaking lows. Let's see if it keeps going down. Watching AMC not doing what I wanted to, of course, but it's all good. Yeah, 1% is hard most days. Even with a large account, 10% a day is not feasible. All right, I'm trying to think of what I would want to do with AMC here. What do you guys think? Yeah, Apple looks good, bro. It looks solid, man. Good job. All right, so we're still at BFRI. I'm looking for it to pop. When is SOPA supposed to resume here? Got halted at 46. Okay, it'll be back in like 2 minutes then, I guess. Get out of what? Get out of AMC? Peloton or Palantir on the downside. Yeah. Okay, so we're bouncing a little bit of BFRI. We're just holding on to some. At least AMC's coming back a little bit. That's good. We're watching AMC. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. We're in BFRI 2. We're just chilling here. Let's see what happens. Isn't SOPA supposed to resume right now? All right, BFRI dipping down a little bit. Yeah, we're just gonna cut that. Too much risk. We're just waiting here. There goes SOPA resumes. The SOPA has resumed back up here, guys. SOPA halted again. Yeah, SOPA's a little bit sketchy for me here, to be honest. BFRI tanked down. At least AMC's popping back up. That's good. So AMC's making another move. I'm just kind of waiting to get into anything right now. Scanners are down anyway. Yeah, SOAP is dangerous. Y'all just be careful. You know, there's some risk in these markets, so just y'all be careful. You know, once we lost $80, we pretty much stopped trading. You know, we're down like almost 80 now, so we got to just wait. Watching AMC though, we're still sitting in AMC, and we're still green on it here. If you want to see the trade. You know, we're still very green on AMC, so like that's going fine and well. SOPA is still consistently getting halted on the upside, just over and over and over again. Watching AMC go up. BFRI taking down here. Good. Jack's out there playing with Rosie. GRTX, BBIG. Let's put that up. Yeah, SOPA's not one I'm messing with. GRTX, I don't know. It's kind of had my number. GRTX has kind of had my number all day. You know, yeah, Rosie's good for Jack. She plays with him, runs with him, you know, and so it's all good. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they're best buds. I gotta teach Jack to be more gentle with her, but she sees him as like a play friend. You know, like they're just play friends. They just run around all day. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, they're best buds. BBIG bouncing a little bit at the VWAP here. AMC's dipping down. I mean, I could hold it break even. I don't know what we want to do with this. We're still up $17 on it, basically. GRTX, yeah, see, did GRTX fake me out? No, it didn't really fake me out. It just popped up. Here's CANF. Didn't do much today. I'm still in my 450 SOPA entry. Nice, Salvadin. Hey, great trade then, brother. Great trade, man. Yeah, kids are out for school. All right, SOPA halted again at 56. Should be resumed now if it's a 5-minute halt. If it's a 20-minute halt or a 10-minute halt, it'll be resumed at 10:06. It has nowhere to go but up. Yeah, for sure. I'll watch for a big pullback on resume SOPA if it holds. Yeah, what do you guys think of SOPA? Are you in SOPA? Yeah, sorry, I gotta get rid of some of these old. There we go. Are you in SOPA? Let me know. Oh, wait, we got the banner down. There we go. AMC's starting to pop back up some here, which is good. Yeah, still in SOPA. Nice. $300. Nice. Congrats, Familiar. Great trade, bro. SOPA should be resuming pretty soon. While we got a second, though, guys, y'all go check out BitGet. I also could trade some crypto futures today, too. What do you guys think? Should I? Let me get my Squeeze app up. I think it's eating too much memory. There we go. I've also thought about getting into the Forex game. What do you guys think? I've tried it before. My biggest thing is, like, I want to be able to scalp. You know, like, if I'm going to trade Forex, like, I want to be able to scalp. All right, and check out BitGet as well, guys. BitGet's super useful in identifying big moves in the market. Look at SOPA here. SOPA should resume in about 2 minutes, so we'll put this back up. Here, I need to figure out what the futures contracts rolled over to. Does anybody know on Top Step what the futures contracts rolled over to? Does anybody know? Forex is interesting. Does anybody know what the futures E-mini contract rolled over to? What the new E-mini contract is? Okay, did the futures roll over yet, Enrique? Did the E-mini roll over to something? Let me see. Is there a website that I could check what this quarter's E-mini contract? Or wait, did I need to? Okay, Z. All right, AMC bouncing back though, guys. Look at AMC looking good. Yeah, Google is pretty good. I'm trying, but I still can't see it. Yes, roll over. Yeah, I mean, we're trying to. There goes AMC looking better, much better. That's good. All right, so AMC will pop it back up. Also, guys, while we got a second, if you haven't already, check out BitGet. BitGet is a really dope crypto platform that allows you to do whatever you're really looking for in the crypto market. Whether you're looking to invest into cryptocurrencies, you can buy Bitcoin on this dip. Ethereum, XRP is available. There's a bunch of cryptos that you can trade on this platform. YFI. There's just a lot of different cryptos you can trade on this platform. All right. You can also copy other profitable traders, which I think is the most useful way to use BitGet. And some of these guys are killing it. Look at this guy, Chance. He's made 100% accuracy. He's never lost. But he's sitting on a bunch of L's, so don't follow Chance. But there's a lot of really profitable guys. Look at this guy, $1 million. Let's look at this guy here. This guy has been on the platform for about a month. He's not sitting on any losses. And aside from this last little downturn, look at all these green trades. Green, 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 green. You can follow these guys literally trade for trade, copy them trade for trade. If you want to follow him, you just click follow. And if I want to follow him with, say, like 50% of his size, if I don't want to take the full sizing he takes and I want to follow him with 50%, I could say 0.5 as my ratio, then as my fixed ratio, and then it's going to be 50% of that size. I can give him a 50% stop loss. And so if he loses more than 50%, I get out of the trade. And that way, I can give them $500 max and set myself up in a little bit more risk-adverse way. I could also be a copy trader myself if I just go to become a trader and earn 10%, which some of these guys are killing it. If we look at this guy Chance here, and we go to his followers, this guy's killing it. He's earning all types of money from these traders, earning 10%. And so you can do that here. You can also trade crypto futures with leverage. So you can literally trade leveraged crypto futures with up to 125 times leverage on this platform. If I go to this here, you can see if I wanted to do Bitcoin, I can get up to 125 times leverage super easily. To deposit money, it's really nice. You just go to buy crypto and say, hey, I want to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin using Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay. And there's two different purchase options, whether it's Banxa or Mercurio to deposit money. Really easy to use, guys. So check it out. You click purchase on the bottom right. I'll post this link. Great way to help support the channel. And SOPA resumed and crashed down, guys. SOPA resumed and crashed down. But I'll post this link if you want to check out BitGet. Super useful, really dope platform, and they are a sponsor of our content, guys. And so here's the link if you want to check them out. Great way to help support your boy here. It's also in the description as well. All right, so we made a bunch of money back on the SPY just now. We basically are green in the SPY, almost green. So we're down 45 bucks today. So we made some money back scalping the SPY. This is our P&L right now. So it could be better, could be worse, but we're sitting up or down 46 bucks today. SOPA resumed and then just tanked. Here, guys, so y'all be careful. Apple started to break down, you know. All right, so Apple started to head back up here. AMC making moves too. Looks good. All right, so let me see. Are we supposed to use Z as the contract? So ESZ, I think, on Top Step. Let me see. Is anybody else trading on Top Step with me? Any other Top Step traders? I don't know. Whenever I see a stock halt like this, I usually avoid it. Too risky. There's just a lot of risk trading stocks like that, man. They might hold sometimes, but they're going to fake you out a ton too. It's just not going to be easy. And most people are going to lose money. I think there's a minimal edge there. Trading halted stocks like that over and over and over again. Just think that the edge is minimal, to be honest. Also, guys, y'all be sure to go check out Benzinga. Benzinga is super useful. We just scalped the SPY again. And so we're only down about 30 something on the day now. So we're making some money. But check out Benzinga. Benzinga is super useful. You can identify what stocks are moving using their scanners. Super useful here, guys. Check out the link. You can get a free trial on Benzinga as well for 2 weeks without even needing a credit card number. So you don't even need a credit card number to try them out for free for 2 full weeks. If you ever wanted to use them, check out the link I just posted in the chat. Apple breaking down here. I almost bought the almost shorted this drop too, but instead I chose to short the SPY, which looks like it was the right move. So yeah, we just shorted the SPY instead, and you know we can see the SPY here. It's been kind of a voluminous, crazy day, but we're up about $17.50 on the SPY. We're only down about $27 on the day now, so we'll see if we can start to attack a trend here. We're starting to get a little bit better trend play out. Here's my P&L, $27 L on the day. We're still in AMC. We're going to short a little bit into the SPY, cover into that quick. Why did we get 50 shares just now? Okay, well, we are grinding it up a little bit. I didn't want 50. All right, see if we get a reversal here for the SPY. That's why. Okay, I see. Oh, wait, we just got out? What? That sucks. I didn't want to get out there. AMC with a weird... we're right around break even here for the SPY. We're going to take a little bit off there. 25 shares still. All right, there we go. We might add into this little pop. So we're going to add one quick position here. 50 shares now. If we don't reject here at 453s, we'll get out. Well, we already rejected it. Let's see if we push it down now. All right, so there we go. We're break even. See if we get a breakdown under this. 84s. Back up to 90, so we got to be careful. We don't want to pop. All right, we're break even again. There we go. Starting to get a flush. All right, we just took half off there. See if we get a breakdown there. 76, 74, 70s. There we go. That's the breakdown we wanted. And we'll cover at the bottom here. All right, so that's nice. We got that. Down 18 bucks. All right, so we're doing pretty well at rebounding on the day. We're down $17.61. This is our P&L right now. So not bad. If AMC rebounds, we'll make that money back. We're watching SOPA here to see what's going to happen. GRTX flying up here at 4s. So GRTX still looks pretty good. Oh, that's a rough play. Sorry to hear that, bro. That's a tough one, man. All right, AMC's popping back up, guys. AMC's starting to rip back up. We're down 15 on the day. Yeah, for sure. I got myself out of that hole. And that's what I usually do. I know if I can sit here and keep trading, I'm usually going to be able to do that. Usually. Not always, but like I'm usually going to be able to keep trading and like get myself out of it. Not always though. Sometimes I get myself in a deeper hole, and that's just the risks you take. Yeah, I cut losses very fast. You have to, though, to be honest. GRTX, we're watching this. AMC's still trying to come back. Hey, nice, bro. Nice VWAP. Congrats, bro. Good trades. Right, so AMC pulling back, Apple trying here. I'm not seeing a ton to trade now. SPY's popping back up over VWAP. So once that happens, there's just not really any trend for me to take advantage of. AMC's still trying. I mean, I could always set a stop loss and just wait. GRTX doesn't look that bad here either. What do you guys think? AMC still consolidating here. Also, guys, you want to help support the channel, go check out Top Step. Top Step funds traders in the futures market. So they give you a demo. If you can, I think I'm trading the right contract here. I hope I am. Let me see. But Top Step gives you a demo. If you can hit their profit target while following all their rules and conditions, then they fund you in that demo. Base one starts at 50K in funding all the way up to over 100K. And I think the futures market is a really good option for traders because I think There's no PDT rule, so you can day trade short in the futures market. And I'm using the same scalping strategies that I use in stocks and futures, but there's no PDT rule. You can day trade and go short with, just trying them out for a funded account program. And they pay out millions every year to their funded traders. They fund thousands of traders a year. They pay out millions a year. They give you a demo. If you can hit their target while following their rules and all their conditions, then they fund you once you hit the target with an 80% split. And so you make 10K, you get to keep 8,000, they get to keep 2K since they're funding you that money. Again, regulated and located in the US. So if you want to trade the same scalping setups and practice at least, I'll post this link. Oh, what's the symbol though? Pasita, if I roll over this month, what's the symbol? That's why I'm waiting to trade until I make sure I'm on the right contract to roll over to. BRG, yeah, whatever. I know I lost a little bit on BRG at the open. All right, so we're capitalizing on the SPY breakdown. Like I said, same SPY strategies I use in stocks, I use in futures. Same concept, same strategies. That should bring us to green on the day pretty nicely, I would think. Yeah, we're up. We're green today, guys. This is our P&L. Even with AMC giving back a lot of the gains we made originally, we're still up in AMC, and we're up on the day. We're up about 12 bucks. So you can see on the SPY, we've traded a bunch. Same scalping setups, though. That's why I think the futures market can be profitable. But check out Top Step. There's the link right there if you want to see it. And yeah, not a bad little fight back day, green day. We'll take it. We got about 600 votes on the poll. Hey, Kelly, if you buy one, I'll play some type of games with y'all. Also, guys, B Trading is my gamer tag if y'all want to play Halo with me. Add me on Xbox if you want to play. Or if you want to get beat at MLB The Show, we can do that too. I got to get a mic though, but I don't think I have a mic, but I'll have to get one. All right, we just bought a little bit of Apple here. Trying to ride this thing down some. See if we can get the breakdown here. We break down on it this low. We're just going to get good risk reward. So even though this one might not work a lot of the time, I think the risk reward is good enough for Apple. So we'll see. It's also kind of hedging my AMC trade a little bit because if this moves up, AMC will probably move up too. So like regardless, we'll make money no matter the direction, if that makes sense. But we ended the day green. We were very happy about that, and we'll take it for sure. All right, we just scalped a little bit more from the SPY. We made that. We're break even in Apple. So we're up about 12 on the day still, even though AMC's giving some back here. Hey, nice. Nice. All right, we're going to take a little bit off of Apple trade. Just scalp that. Going to hold the rest for a larger breakdown here if we can get it. Up about 20 bucks on the day. Not bad. We're happy with that. All right, so yeah, we're out of that. That should be about $20 up on the day. Yeah, we're almost exactly 20 on the day. We're up $20.20. So not a bad little comeback after a rough start. I genuinely believe, guys, that waiting for the SPY to play out and like select a specific direction is going to be so much more valuable than attacking the market in the first 5 to 10 minutes of the market open. Every day when I attack the market in the first 5 to 10 minutes, like today, I end up putting myself in a hole that I eventually got to fight my way out of. But if I just wait and I let the SPY play out and I let trends play out and I bet on those momentum for trend continuations or for trend reversals, it's just a lot more effective way to trade the market, to be honest. I have so much better success doing so. And so I hope that makes sense, and I hope you understand why. But yeah, guys, we're going to probably close this down. So I appreciate everybody being here today. If, like I said, you want to check out BidGet, let's see if we can find some profitable traders on BidGet real quick, because BidGet's got some really cool traders on their platform. So let me show you guys. Let's see which ones are making money. Some of these guys are killing it in the market, doing really well. This guy 010977. Let's see if he's, first thing you got to do is look to see if they're sitting on L's. Yeah, this dude's sitting on L's. So you don't want to follow anybody sitting on that many losses. What about Trust Me? Again, first thing you do is you go to copy trade here. You see if they're sitting on any losses. Okay, this dude's not sitting on any losses. He's been here for 139 days. And look at these trades. He's a scalper, it looks like. So small percentages. Green, 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 green. This dude's legit. Okay. Not bad. If you want to follow him, you click follow. You go to fixed ratio. Say, hey, I want to follow him with 20%, 0.2. Give him a, since he's a scalper, give him a 30% stop loss and a maximum follow of $500. And then you can follow him. You can also trade futures, guys. But if you want to be a copy trader, you can on this platform as well. So if you look at copy trade here and you go to become a trader, you can become a copy trader, earn 10%. And a lot of these guys are not trading huge. Like if you look at the accumulated transactions, this guy's running at 91% accuracy rate, 726%, only made $70 total, but he's still got 71 followers and he's earning 10% of everything he makes everybody else. So really interesting way to trade, guys. Check it out. Here's the link. Yeah, we can play some Diamond Dynasty, Garrett, if you want to go with some unranked online Diamond Dynasty. Like I said, add me. It's B Trading. I don't have a team on the new gamer tag. I just created this gamer tag. I don't actually have a team. But we can play. But yeah, guys, I'm out of here, guys. Listen, love you all. Good luck. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Like I said, check out Benzinga. Check out the new crypto channel. We just dropped a new video talking about some recent Nike news on the crypto channel. And so I'll post this video. Go subscribe to this channel. I certainly appreciate it if you do. Here's the link for the crypto channel right here. We just dropped this latest video, and it's talking about a huge deal from Nike. So it's kind of stock related as well, to be honest here. It's talking about this big deal from Nike. Go sub. Yeah, I'll consider it a favor if you go subscribe to this channel, guys. Good luck. Love you all. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. I'm going to go play with the pup. And yeah, green day, slightly green, but green nonetheless. We're up about $20. We'll see what happens with AMC. We'll set a stop, I guess, on this one. Let me see where we want to do a stop. All right, reasonable. All right. Let's set the stop. All right, guys, listen. Love you all. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.